Okay, let's get started. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the live stream of zbit.com. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. I don't want the caption. So, today we are doing something for all of you people, and that one thing is that from today we are gonna start a challenge of turning 10 USDT into the 1000 USDT in straight in front of you live. Every day we'll be counting our whatever profit we are gaining from the market. We'll take the live trades, we'll do the trades, and we'll figure out what kind of profit we are gonna get in the market. Got it? So from today we are gonna start this challenge of turning that 10 USDT into 1000 USDT, so that you can also do it side by side. Make your 10 USDT into 1000 USDT. I hope you all people are excited for this, because this is gonna be completely live. There is like, it won't be like a scam thing or any of those things, and you will also get to know like what is an actual amount you need to start with. I know, see, 10 USDT is the most smallest investment you can make in the cryptocurrency for earning a good amount of profit. With 10 USDT, I don't think so you can make 1000 very easily. It will be very tough situation. It will be one of those moments that we have to capture 5 to 10% of the market every day to make it 10,000 in the 10 days. But we will try our best, in which with this challenge you will get to know like how to invest as well, in which kind of market you have to come, when to find your best entry points, how to do the best entry for gaining 1 to 2 to 3 to 4% of the market, and also is it possible to start your trading journey with just $10, and can it become our $1000? Will start it from today, so that you can also have a reality check of, is it a very good investment to make a 10 USDT and start your crypto journey, or you have to invest more or not, or what else and what else. We'll find out in this 10 days, 10-day real trading journey, which will be just in front of you. We'll start from the $10, and we will try to make it 100, sorry, not 100, $1000. Got it? Welcome user 354482. Welcome user 943052. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much. My name is Yash, and I am a live stream host at zbit.com. For the people who don't know Zbit.com, let me just tell you, Zbit.com is a crypto exchange platform which allows you to start your crypto journey. It's basically being a medium between you and the most profitable market right now in the whole world, which is our crypto market. So in this scenario, Zbit is one of that most important thing, in most important medium, most important bridge which you need to have, which you need to walk, which you need to gain a passive source of income and achieve a financial freedom. Zbit offers you a chance to have a passive source of income, which is basically you are doing from the trading. I know that there are a lot of other passive source of incomes as well, like business, brand, opening theater, doing XYZ things, some startups or whatever it is. But we all know, like opening a company, opening a brand, opening a business will require a lot hefty amount of investment to make. Whereas the trading can be done in least investment compared to what you are going to invest there. Okay, compared to what you're going to invest there, you can make a good amount of investment over here. But with that thing, less investment, and plus you can do it from wherever you want. Just you need one internet connectivity and a very good laptop. That's all you need to have and start your crypto journey. Even you can do it from your phone as well. It's not like you just need laptop. It's just laptop is a greater advantage so that you can see a bigger screen, because in the, you know, in the phone or any of those things, the screen is very small so that you cannot find it very accurately. But in the bigger screen, you can see stuffs, you can see the market, you can find out your positions very easily compared to the small. So that's the only thing. Other than that, you can also start it from the phone as well. There is no condition that no, I have to go buy laptop only just to start the trading. No, it's not like that. Okay, so in this, the most simplest, effortless, and less investment passive source of income can be trading. And but with the less investment, will it be like a profit will also be less? No. Crypto market can make you earn maybe equal to the business or more than business. Welcome user 372140. Hi, welcome. Like, thank you so much for joining this live stream. Hi, my name is Yash and I'm a live stream host over here. If you have any doubt, anything, please feel free to ask me on the comment section. Anything, it should be anything, like it can be anything related to your crypto journey, because that's what this live stream hosts are here for. They are here for your help to guide you in your crypto journey. Wherever you feel some difficulty, wherever you feel any doubt, wherever you feel that going forward is feeling a little difficult for me, and you need an assistance, you need a help, you need a guide to tell you what to do the next, what should be your next step, feel free to ask me in the comment section, because that's what it is for. This live stream is not for you just to watch, just for an eye attracting thing. No, this is not an eye attracting thing. This is for you to gain knowledge. This is for you to get education regarding trading. This is for you to have like, also you can copy trade from us, where we give the live trades, we give you trades as well. You can copy those things, every of those things as well. So with that note, let's start this live stream, and let me start it by introducing the Zbit app to those people who doesn't even know what Zbit is. So for all my YouTube people and the Twitter people who are watching me for the first time, Zbit is a crypto exchange app which allows you to start your crypto journey by doing trading in the cryptocurrency in the two format. We have one, a spot trading, in which, what do you mean by spot trading? Basically, spot is like a physical store buying. Like you went, you bought, you have the ownership of that thing. You have a legitimate receipt, you have everything that I have paid XYZ amount of thing, and you are owning it forever and ever till the time you feel like I don't want it anymore. But the next thing is future trading. Okay, what Zbit offers you, two types of trading. One is spot, other one is future. Spot is, like I said, a complete ownership of that XYZ coin. You buy it and you have the ownership. Just a second. You buy it and you have the complete ownership of that XYZ coin, and then you can have it forever, like till the time, like say basically what we do with the gold. We go to the physical store, we buy gold, we keep it in the house, and we will sell it, or we will, like, it's kind of like investment, we'll sell it whenever, after maybe like 5 years later, 6 years later, because we know after that point of 5 year or 6 year or 7 year or 10 year, whatever year you are picking, it will be more valuable and the value of investment will increase, right? In the same situation, the same exact way, the spot trading works, where you buy at the cheapest price. You find out like today's market is cheaper, like the time we buy the gold, we feel like, okay, today is the most cheapest than the previous one, so I should buy it right now. And then whenever the gold price goes up, then it will be a profitable situation for me. Same thing what we do in this spot over here. We buy XYZ, whatever coin Zibit has offered, Zibit has there to offer all of you people. Yes, we do have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, blah 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 blah. Like a major coin, we have all the major coins. We may not have a very new coin which is there in the market. Okay, not all the new, but some major ones. Yes, we do have all those coins, in which you will just go simply buy at whatever price is going on right now. And trust me, see, let this 2025 pass, because if you let 2025 pass, and trust me on this, 2026 will be a bull market for the cryptocurrencies. It will be like everybody will go for the buy and buy and buy situation, because we are seeing a market is dumping right now, a market is crashing down right now. And I gave you this theory already, that this is because of the 4 years of reset theory. Every 4 years we have seen this. Like it started from 2013, then we saw it on 2017, then we saw it on 2021, and today is 2025. The current period of time we are going in 2025. So in every 4 year, crypto resets himself. Now, what do you understand by reset himself? Like it's not a timer, it's not a countdown, it's not a stopwatch to reset himself all the time. No. What do you mean by this? Same simple way. See, for example, put yourself in the shoes of the whales, or in the shoes of those people who are holding Bitcoin for a very huge quantity. Not one Bitcoin, two, no, maybe of like 50,000 Bitcoin, 80,000 Bitcoin, maybe lakh kind of Bitcoin. Okay. Now, in this situation, every 4 years, they are trying to liquidate themselves, like whatever they have earning, they will sell some part of it, not everything, some part of it. So obviously they can also gain a lot of good amount of profit with it. In the same scenario, if I go and do the Bitcoin spot buying, okay, I have, let's imagine I have 10,000. Obviously, maybe every year, maybe every 2 year, maybe every 3 or 4 years, I will try to sell something, because I am getting such a huge amount of profit from it. I buy it at 70, 40, 60, and then Bitcoin goes above 100. Obviously, that's a epic profit for me. So in this case scenario, all the whales in the market, because like I said to you, there are only 4 major people in the crypto market who has a complete, I'm saying complete, that means actually the complete control of the Bitcoin market, complete control of the whole crypto, not whole crypto market, because majorly they go for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some part they go for Solana and Ethereum, like alt and stable coin. They don't invest in the very newly coins. They might invest, but you cannot see it in that way. Okay. So they majorly invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum, in which we can see like they are buying and they are selling. And obviously that's what people will do in this moment. The 4 year reset can bring the market up to, let's say, see, as per the history, what we have seen in the previous years, we have seen the market falls. Whenever the 4 year hits, the market falls approximately to 70 to 75%. Till now, from the all-time high situation, market has fallen almost 30 or 20%, I guess. Let me check. Okay, we'll see from the all-time high situation. This is the all-time high of 126. We'll drag it down to our current market. It has fallen to 36. Like I said, yeah, 36% market has fallen down. But the 4 year reset is about 70 to 60% fall of the market. So we can expect, like, see, half market has already fallen, half it can fall as well. May. It is not a surety, but yes, there is also a possibility that it can fall more 30% of the market. See, 74 I gave you already. Like 74 is a definite 200%. If you even for today, you just go for a future trade of short, it will be a profitable situation trade for all of you people, because 74 is I'm guaranteed because of the major swing. I know the market is always and always hungry of the major swings point, because they know at that point a lot of people's holding is still stacked at that point. Like they have put their long trade, future long trade, blah 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 blah, which they want to eat, which they want to have, because we and the market are always in the opposite direction. Our loss, market's profit, market's profit, sorry, our loss, market's profit, market's loss, our profit. So we are always in the opposite. We cannot have a profit at the same moment. We cannot, we will never have that thing. Okay. It's always a opposite thing, is always our opposition, is always our enemy. So in that way, market always travels to those points where he can find out most of the retailers or the big people's money, because market is greedy, and it's not about greedy because he needs that money to keep running the market. For example, you understand the liquidity concept. Liquidity is very simple. See, by the term, by the jargon of liquidity, it might be little hard, it might be little difficult for you to understand, like what do you understand by liquidity. It might be such a huge concept or something like that. Welcome user 226739, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Do a deposit from the live stream function, click on the deposit option and wait for me to give you trade. Okay, if you are not clicking on the deposit function, then you are not receiving a free USDT from my side. So make sure to click on that deposit function of the live stream. Got it? Cool. After that, like I was talking to all of you people, that what is liquidity? Liquidity is very simple, that something which you need to survive. In human body case, our liquidity is oxygen. If we don't have oxygen, our body won't run. There are several factors as well. I'm just picking the most important one: oxygen, food, water, blah blah. There are a lot of stuffs, I get it, but the most common one is oxygen that we require. That's our liquidity. Same way, if I talk about a car, now car needs three things. If there are three types of car, one may be CNG, one may be electric, and one may be fuel one, which is basically petrol or diesel. Okay, now these are the three things which a car needs to run. If it's a EV, he needs battery to run. If it's a fuel one, then he needs petrol or diesel to run, for very sure. If it's a CNG, then it needs a gas to run. Now this is what? Battery, fuel and CNG. What is this? This is the liquidity of the car. Same way, liquidity for a market is what? Money. Market needs money to run the market, to keep on going this market. For that, market will always be in the position, market will always make such uncertainty, but market will always drop down or pump it up in such a way so that he can grab most of the liquidity, which is basically, for market, liquidity is money. Money is whose money? Our money. Basically, our stop loss, our or against the order thing, every of those things making us lose money. For example, I went for buy, market will try to make it go for sell, so that I can have a more loss, and that loss money is basically market's profit. Our SL, and the way when uncertainty comes and we go for against the trade, or we do a little wrong trade, that both things are market's money, market's liquidity. Understood? So liquidity concept talks about this one very specific thing: how to avoid such position, such very genuine position. Like, see, market will show his patterns of liquid trap. Like basically those major swings. Whenever there is major swing has created, market will trap to go below down. So it's one of those very common thing which we have seen in the market, which they do it for the liquidity trap, for trapping our money, for making us lose more and more and more and more money, which we can know by very simple technique, which I will tell you. If you want to know, please comment down on the comment section. I will tell you each and every of those traps, how market traps you with the liquidity, and how you can avoid those traps. Very simple traps. Okay, it's not like very thoughtful or something like that. It's a very simple trap which market does. Okay, and we can avoid it very easily. But for that, do tell me if you need those information for my side, if you want to learn regarding liquid trap and every of those things. Okay, now Zbit offers you other platform, other than spot trading. We offer you a future trading. Now, what do you understand by future trading? See, a lot of people get confused regarding like what is spot, what is future, what is option. Option is little difficult to understand, and we don't even have that option. So leave that option trading, because if something is not there, why even need and why even have an information of something which is not even there? We have spot and future. I gave you spot information. The spot is legitimately like a physical store buying. You are going, you are buying, and that's yours, complete yours. You are the owner of that thing. you decide to buy, and then you sell it whenever you want to sell it. Okay, got it? Now, what do you understand by future trading? Future trading is very simple than the spot trading, but at the same point, there are advantage and disadvantage in the future trading in the respect of the profit. Either profit can be very good or the loss can be very good. There is no middle ground over it. Like I can have a small loss, bigger profit. No, bigger profit, bigger loss. That's a two scenario which future trading has. Okay, simple. See, future trading, we do not own any of those cryptocurrency. We do not buy, for example, let's talk about BTC. Okay, we do not buy. If I am doing future trading, that means I am not buying any of those currencies. I am not buying Bitcoin or I am not selling Bitcoin. Then, if I am not buying any Bitcoin or if I am not selling any Bitcoin, then what the fuck I am doing? I am actually trying to predict the price. Price as in like what will be the price of the Bitcoin in the next upcoming future days. That's why we call it future trading. That what will happen next, which has never happened. We are just doing what future. When we see like this may happen in the future, this may happen in future, this may happen in future. What we're doing, we are doing prediction. That's the exact thing what we do in future trading as well. In the future trading, we predict the price, that whether in the next day, next hour, next week, next month, next 6 months, next year, whatever it is, whether the price will go up or it will fall down. That's the only thing we do in the future trading. Okay, we do not trade into the coin. We are not buying or selling any of this coin, but we are trading on the price of the coin, which is just saying and predicting if the price can go up or the price can go down. That's all. That's all. That's the simplest explanation of what future trading means for all of you. That's the most simplest thing. Future trading is just prediction game. Like basically, we all play roulette, right? In the roulette, what we doing? We are just predicting what color and what number that ball will land on. Same exactly thing. We are predicting not on the number, not on the ball, but we are predicting if the market will be red or market will be green. Basically meaning if market is red, that means the bear market, price is falling down, or the market will be green, which means it's a bull market, price is going up. That's all. In the future trading, we have a different names for those trades. Prediction, price go up means we are putting a long trade. It will be called as open long. Open long means you are thinking that market can go up, the price of the XYZ cryptocurrency can go up. Other the option is open short. Open short means that you are predicting the price of that XYZ cryptocurrency will crash from here and it will go down from that place. Okay, that's the most simplest way of understanding a future trading. Open long, predicting price can go up. Open short, predicting price can fall down. That's all we have to do, nothing else. And there are a lot of benefits in the crypto, in the future trading. What is that benefit? First, in this compared to spot trading, in a spot trading, you cannot earn in both ways. If market is crashing down, then panically you will sell it because you don't want it to go in the loss. Your investment should not go in the loss. So you will panically sell it before I get like, for example, if I bought it at, let's say example of, one second, where is my brush? Okay, let's say example that you buy at right now point. Right now market is going at what? 84k is the Bitcoin price at right now. We can see compared to 126, 84 is very less price. Okay, market has fallen 30%. A lot of people may think in this way. The people who don't know about 4 years reset, the people who are not knowing about the market, they are very new to the market. What they have very common situation, they have very common understanding. Market fall, go for buy. Market rise, go for sell. That's the only common ideology all the traders has. Welcome, welcome user 870295. Welcome user 84266809, and welcome ritualistic. Okay, welcome user ritualistic. Welcome everybody. Thank you so much for being a part. Today we are doing a challenge of turning 10 USDT into 1000 USDT. So please be a part of this 10-day live trading in which I will show you if it is possible to turn that 10 USDT into 1000 USDT. Got it? So for that, I need a maximum attention, maximum activeness, and maximum support from all the people. Make sure to do the deposit of the live stream function. There is, if you look down, there is a deposit option. Click on the deposit and make sure that you are depositing 10 and start the same journey with me. Do a deposit of 10 USDT and let's start the same journey with me of turning that 10 USDT into 1000. Okay, so now I was explaining regarding a little spotting. Okay, so from 126, if the market falls to 184k, obviously a lot of people will think that market is at a very cheap price right now. Same way what we do with the gold. For example, if gold is 3000 and it fall to 1500, we'll look like, oh, from 3000 it fall 1500. It is half a price. If it again goes to 3000, I can earn so much of money. But at a point, you know, don't know what the future days are coming for. If the future days the market will fall more, the price will fall more, you don't know. You just saw cheap price, you enter for the cheap price. That's all. Let's imagine like you bought it at 84k. You bought one Bitcoin worth of 84k. Okay, one BTC you bought worth of 84k. Now from here the market again fall down to 74k. Now you are in the loss. See, your investment is what? 84k. In the 74k, most of the people, I'm talking about the general audience, general traders, general audience, they what we do, they will go panic that I'm already having a 10k loss over here from my investment. I invested 84k, market is at 74k, and they are in the panic state of what will happen to my rest 70k, 74k. In that panic state, they will sell it at 74 because they don't want to have further loss. So in a spot market, even if you can only earn by what, if you go for buy situation, from that point you need the market should be above your position. In any case, if from 84 85 it is still you are having 1000k profit. Anything better than loss, I'm saying better than loss, you're having one. From your position it should be above, then and then only you are getting a profit in the spot market. But see, there is one thing as well which an expert, you say expert or you say experienced trader, what they will do, they won't get panic at 74k. Because see, I get it, your account balance is not going zero in the spot trading over here. Once you buy at 84, until and unless you sell it, your account balance is exactly the same, whatever it is. Your investment, you feel like I invested 84 and market is 74, my investment 10k is gone, and that makes you panic and then you sell it in a panic state. But the experienced trader may wait for the moment for it to jump up again and then they sell it. But even in that situation, you are losing that you had an option. If you would have waited, you had an option to buy at 74, but you did buying at 84. That is one regret, but still. So in this spot, basically what I'm trying to say is that you can earn from one way, that from your entry point, the market should be above. If your market is not above, then you are not having any amount of profit. Okay. But in future trading, you can earn from both the side. Doesn't matter if the market is going up or doesn't matter if the market is falling down. You can earn profit in the both side, but depends on what kind of trade you take. For example, if this is my entry point is 84. From there, I said long trade. I took a long trade that I predicted the price of the cryptocurrency Bitcoin from 84 will go 85, 86, 87, above it will go. Then I am having a profit. But if in that scenario if I predicted that the market is having a long position, like it is going up, from there it will, that's my prediction. But from my entry point, the market starts falling down more, then I'm having a loss. If your prediction goes wrong, you are having a loss. But at the same point, doesn't matter if you have Bitcoin with you, doesn't matter you ever invested in Bitcoin or not, you can still enter at right up period of a time and say, let's say that I feel like from here the market will go short. In a spot trading, we cannot earn profit while the market is selling. If you have bought it at this price and you're selling at that price, then it's okay. Okay, but directly sell you cannot do in the spot until unless you own something. But in here, if you are in future trading, if you said like market will fall down more, when the whole market, whenever the market crashes down, people panic. A lot of people have major losses and everything. But if you do future trading, even in the most panic state, even in the most that stage where people are, everybody of the people are having losses, the market is crashing down, market fall by 20%, market fall for 10, 20, 30%. Every people are having major loss, people are getting liquidated and blah 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 kind of stuff. But even in those major scenario, you still can earn profit via only future trading, because it offers you a chance to earn profit in both way. Even if the market is falling, just predict that yes, from here market will fall more. The more market fall, even if it's 30% of crash, 20% of crash, 10% of crash, you are earning that amount of profit even though the market is crashing. And that's what the most richer people do, because see, they have advantage with it. It is one very common thing. I hope everybody will relate to it. The more richer you get, the more intel you get. Intel as in information of some XYZ company, XYZ market. Today that person is going to invest this much. Today that person is going to take out money this much and blah blah blah. The more richer you get, your connection will be grown, and that with that connection you will get the intel of what may can happen in the market. You might have heard this one interview. It was not interview. It was just like Nikhil Kamath, right? A Zerodha owner. He was having some seminar, and I don't know, maybe it was an entrepreneur seminar where everybody was there for the future stuff and something like that. Something was regarding, I don't know the topic of the seminar, but he was there. Nikhil and Mukesh Ambani was also there, and he said this one thing: only Mukesh Ambani knows what may can happen next in the future in the stock market a day before. He has that information that what may can happen tomorrow, if the market can crash, if the market can go, if the market will do what. Now these people will have a most bigger profit in the future, because first of all they have 100% guarantee of this thing is going to happen. Now if you have something, if I tell you tomorrow that bro, tomorrow market is going to crash for 10%, and that is for the legit surety, like 200, 300, 10,000% sure I am that market is going to crash tomorrow. I will try to put everything whatever I got, because I know it is 100% guarantee and I'm going to earn a very big amount because I'm investing a big amount. Now that's what the rich people do. Even though the market is crashing, they earn profit. Even if the market is moving up, they earn profit. They earn profit in a both way. Even some of the, like for example, the BlackRock CEO. Okay, if you are a BlackRock CEO guy, now you know that tomorrow I am gonna go and I am gonna go and invest 2.2 billion in the market to make a hit of all-time high. I know this thing because I am the only one who is gonna invest it. I can take two trades. One, I'm taking a spot trade of making the market go down, making the market go up in and making an all-time high. And on a second point, I can also take a future trade, because I know with my 2.2 billion investment, a lot of market can pump, and that pump can give me extra amount of profit via future trading. In a both ways they can earn, and that's why they are very rich. They're ahead of our time, ahead of our investment, ahead in our bank account and blah blah, every of those things. They're even their thoughts are ahead of us, because they are not thinking in such way, because they have the proper intel, proper information for everything. We are finding those information in a chart, like what may can happen next, what may can happen next, and they are the one who is making that decision, like this is gonna happen next. See the difference? If you have that power that this is what happened next, I can earn such a huge amount of profit in the future trading just by predicting, because I know this is going to happen the next. So future trading allows you to take advantage of a falling market as well, to earn profit in that. And also it helps you in buy trade, like for taking advantage of buy trades in gaining a good amount of profit in that scenario. Welcome user 666199 on the live stream of zibit.com. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. I really appreciate all of you people coming on this live stream. But do not forget, from today, we are doing a challenge. Challenge of what? Challenge of turning 10 USDT into 1000 USDT with only and only future trading, because we know future, like without future trading in spot, which is that coin which we will hold for 10 USDT and will wait for 10 days and it can become a 1000. There is no such coin in any of the spot market to give us an investment of 10 and give us profit of 1000. Okay, so one benefit I showed you that in the future you can earn in both ways. Even if the market is crashing down, you can earn profit. Even if the market is pumping up, you can gain profit in both ways scenario. This is one of the most epic benefit of the future market, that you don't have to worry regarding what kind of market is it. Falling market, still earn profit. Going up market, still earn profit. But the only thing is that your prediction should be right. Your prediction should be accurate, that if you say it will go up, it should go up. If it goes against you, then you may have a good amount of loss as well. Because welcome user 807142, welcome user 44373775, welcome. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. I would love to request all of you people that today, from a day one, it's a day one of a challenge of turning that 10 USDT into the 1000 in front of all of you people. I will be doing this trading for 10 days real trading, which you can see over here, 10 days real trading. We will try to invest this 10 USDT for 10 days and make it to 1000. Okay, so for that, I request one thing from you. Whenever I take a trade, you take a trade as well. Go on, click on that live stream deposit function and deposit 10 USDT, and let's change this 10 into 1000 together. We'll do it together. Okay, so please make sure that you are depositing 10 USDT and starting this challenge with me for the 10 days. I will show you what kind of trade I'm taking, which coin I'm trading, and we are only doing future trading. Okay, to be very frank, to be very fair, we are only gonna do a future trade. We are not gonna do some other trade, but we will do only and only a future trade. Got it? Understood? Okay. Now, but for that, please make sure that you are clicking on the deposit section, deposit of the live stream, only on the live stream, not on the home page. I'm not on the home page, on the live stream function. Got it? Cool. So one benefit, you can earn from both ways. Second benefit, like, see, I get it. A lot of people, a lot of retailers, they don't have capital. They lack capital. They don't know where to gain this kind of USDT, because at the first, it's not INR, it is USDT. We are already having such a huge gap between that currency exchange rate. Okay, our one USDT is almost our 80 to 90 rupees something. 80, what is current rate is going on? One USDT. It is 89, some 89. Okay, it is currently going at 80, 88, 89. Okay, 88, 89. It is going at 88, 89. That's the 88, 89. We are already having a very huge currency gap between us. Okay, with that huge currency gap, we cannot do a very heavy investment of, let's say, 10,000 USDT, 1000 USDT, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000. We cannot make such a huge amount of investment. I get it, but future offers you that one very specific thing of leverage, that you, even if you are not having a bank balance, if you cannot take a very huge amount of entry into the crypto market, but still you can take a leverage, you can change your small capital into a bigger trade. You can change it. How? See, leverage works in what? Leverage is basically multiplication of the maths. If I have 10 USDT, I take 50x of leverage, that will become what? I get 500, yeah, I get 500 USDT to trade. Okay, I can make my 10 USDT into 500 USDT by taking 50x of leverage. Now, leverage, is it fake money? No. Leverage is very basic buying. You are doing a buying, sorry, not buying, borrowing. You are doing a borrow of somebody else's money. Okay, this is not a fake money or something. You're just borrowing funds from some other people who are ready to give it to you, basically like a loan thing, but you don't have to repay him. But whatever profit you earn, for example, in here, if example in here you earn xyz amount of profit, you will have some cut. You have to give it to that xyz person, whoever you took the leverage from. Okay, a little extra percentage which you have to give, nothing else than that. Okay, but you can still make your 10 turn into 500 just simply by taking leverage. So in first benefit, both side profit. Second, bigger capital you can take a trade of. Bigger capital you can make your small capital turn into a bigger capital just by taking leverage. But understand this one thing, taking leverage is an absolute, like, a lot. Like, example, taking 100x leverage, taking 200, 125x, 125 is the max in the cbit. Okay, so taking 125, 100 kind of a leverage, it's very very heavy. If you are like definite sure about something, like, yes, this is gonna happen, I am 100% sure on it, then it's okay. But if you are not sure about it, then this leverage, if it goes against the trade, if you go for long and market falls down, it can eat up your account. Like, you won't even see, like, if it gives one big candle, you will see that you are thrown out of market like a finger snap, and you are liquidated completely from the market. It will force liquidate you because you don't have that balance to continue that trade. Your investment is just 10 USDT. It will not go till like $200 minus, $500 minus. No, once you hit minus 10 USDT, it will throw you out of the market, because your investment is gone. That person will not make his money go loss because you took a wrong trade. For example, you took a 500 USDT trade. In that 500 USDT trade, if you go loss for 10 USDT, your account is closed. Your trade is closed. 1 second. Yeah. So, like I said to you all people, once your whatever XYZ investment you are taking, that investment goes on minus. For example, I will show you an example. Okay. Pencil. Okay. This is a point where I did for a long trade. Okay. Long trade, I have invested 500 USDT because 500 came from where? 10. I had my investment, and 50x is the leverage. Lvg is the leverage. It became what? It became 10 into 50, 500 USDT it became. Now, from here, whatever profit I earn, that is a good amount of profit. It will be heavy amount of profit compared to what? Compared to 500 open trade. But the time it starts go loss, it will go loss for 1 second, guys. So from here, when once you entered in the market and you are going like you're having a loss, this loss will be also a very big amount of loss compared to the 500, not compared to your 10 USDT investment. Okay. That's why be aware of the liquidity. Always make sure that your liquidity is good. Always make sure that you are sorry. Always make sure that your leverage is, you are taking in a very like in a balanced way. Don't take extreme 100x, 125x. Take it in a very limited 10-20 is okay, because make sure that you have to give it back as well. Okay, give it back as in like you don't have to repay him for his borrowing amount, but if it goes against your trade, you have to face a lot of heavy liquidation, which can eat up a lot of your account, heavy account. Okay, any Aminul, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Welcome on this live stream, Aminul. It's very hard to pronounce your name, but yeah, welcome. And today, Aminul, we are doing a challenge of turning that 10 USDT into 1000 USDT. Okay, so make sure that you are also part of this journey. Thanks. Yeah. And make sure that you are also part of this journey of turning the 10 into 1000. We'll be trading live for 10 days and we'll see from the 10 how much we can earn money. Okay. How much more money we can earn from this 10 and try to make it to 1000. So if you haven't done deposit till now, I would request you that in the bottom, you can see there is a deposit option on the live stream. Click on that, deposit 10 and start the same journey with me. Got it? So I was explaining you regarding the spot and future. That is the complete explanation for the future, what you understand by future trading and blah 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 everything. Now, understand this one other thing, that Zbit also offers all the new users I'm talking about. Okay, all the new users, Zbit also offers a lot of rewards. This rewards can be of what? This reward is you can get a free cryptocurrency. Yes, sounds very interesting, sounds very intriguing. Like, how can they give a free cryptocurrency? But it is true. It is a fact that we give a free cryptocurrency. Now, once you register, for example, let me just show you over here. This is this. If you go sign up, we give you three rewards. There are three new user reward. One you can see worth over 1200. Get your first ever crypto asset at zbit.com, which is I have. You have 10. Good. Which you can see once you click on the create account. You created an account by simply adding your country code, email address, password, and that's all you all need. Just and country code, email address, and password. That's all you will need. And once you have that thing, once you have XYZ amount of, once you added those account, you did the sign up, you will be given an option, a lucky spin, in which 100% guarantee is there to win. Means like once you hit that spin, it's surety, 100% sure that you will be getting one cryptocurrency. But which one? That is an option. Algorithm works in a different way. See, out of there are 8 options in that cryptocurrency. There is Bitcoin, there is Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Pepe coin, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and blah blah blah. There are stable coins, altcoins, and meme coins. See, generally people will get meme coins. In the algorithm, out of 500, 1% will receive Bitcoin. Till now point, we have 6 people who have received Bitcoin already. Okay, so there is always a chance for you may receive it, because if you come in that algorithm, that out of 500, 1% will get it. Okay, so depending on the algorithm, if you come under that algorithm, you have a chance to win Bitcoin as well, which can be worth. See, at that moment when we did that, worth over 1200, Bitcoin was trading at 120k level. Okay, right now it is trading at 84k level, so the earning will be almost $840 something. $800 you will be earning. You will be having $800 worth of BTC you will be having as a spot coin, which will be staying with you forever until the point you sell it, you trade it, you exchange it, whatever you can do. Even if you want to hold it for 5 to 6 years, hold it. We don't care about it. Okay, because that is a complete ownership coin which you will be getting. It is not like a future coin, like you have to hold it for a limited period of time or something like that. No, you'll have a complete ownership of that. But make sure, again, like I said, it's a lucky spin, in which if you get in that algorithm of you are one in that 500, once, like, see, once we get like approx very near to 500 new user we got, in that one user will get BTC, stable coin like BTC or Ethereum, or in that 500, 10 to 20 people might get Solana or XRP. Because obvious reason, we cannot provide BTC and Ethereum to everybody, then we will have to shut down our own company. Because if we provide every person an $800 worth of coin, then it will be like I have a very huge bank and I'm just providing you free money like this. We cannot do it. It is for those lucky people who have in this algorithm of 1 in that 500. Okay. So you will be getting first reward. What is that first reward? Welcome Dave07. Welcome on the live stream of Zibit.com. Thank you so much for being a part. This is gonna be a very interesting live stream today because we are gonna do a challenge of turning that 10 USDT into 1000 in the live journey of 10 days of live journey. 10 days trade, 10 days real trading we will be doing, and in it we will observe if we can change that 10 into 1000. We will observe it. Okay, so welcome user 378571 as well. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. We are gonna change it, this 10 into 1000 in the 10 upcoming days. We will see if it is possible, if it's not possible, if it's an imaginary, if it's not imaginary, what difficulty might we face. And in this thing, when I am doing a live trading, you will also know which part to trade, when to enter, when not to enter, and every of those stuffs. Got it? Cool. So I request everybody of you, the people who don't have an investment of 10 USD till right now point, in the live stream section, there is a button of deposit. Click on the deposit option and deposit your money. Deposit XYZ, deposit your 10 USDT, 20, whatever you want to deposit. And then start the challenge with me. Do the live trading with me on your, whenever I give you trade, take that same trade. Whenever I give you trade, take the same trade. Okay. Start this crypto journey with me of turning 10 USDT into 1000. Okay. So before that, let me just explain some rewards for the YouTube people because they are watching me for the first time. For the existing people, live timing. Live, see, I go live by 12 to 4 Dubai timing. If you are from India, yes, you are, Dave is from India. If you are from India, then live timing is by 1:30 to 5:30. Okay. Indian timing 1:30 to 5:30. Dubai timing 12 to 4 because Dubai is 1.5 an hour backward. Okay. So that is the timing. And also for the live stream people, for the existing people, I'm talking about this, the people who are watching me from the Zibit app. See, in this live stream, there are 3 functions: comment section, deposit function, take a trade function. Which you can see in that stage only. On that comment, there is one deposit option, there is take a trade. These are the 3 functions of live stream. If you are the most active person on this live stream, in a weekly, you are doing 3 deposit in my live stream, only in my live stream, then you will be getting a free USDT from my side. It can be any mysterious reward as well. Either it can be mysterious reward like a free meme coins or USDT, or any offer like I can give you one-time offer of no transaction fees or with no withdrawal fees or something like that. I can provide you that. But for that, you have to be active on the live stream, comment, then do a deposit in a weekly 5 days. I come on the live. Okay, I come live on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 5 days. In these 5 days, if I see minimum criteria is more than 3 deposit. In these 5 days, if you do more than 3 deposit, doesn't matter whatever deposit. I am not giving you an requirement like you have to do 10, you have to do 20. Nah. Whatever you deposit, but 3 should be there. 3 times you should click on the live stream deposit function, deposit it, and if I see 3 or more than 3, I will pick the most active person and I will be giving them free USDT or free offers or free rewards, depending on me. Okay. Every weekly it will be something different every week. It won't be same every week. Okay. And I get the whole data right now. I can also see like how many number of people clicked on a recharge, how many number of people clicked on a take a trade, how many people are there, how many people are live at this point. I get every of the data over here. Okay. I'll be picking those top 3, top 4 people and I will be giving them free USDTs for you to trade. The same way which I'm going to talk about my next second trade. YouTube people, I'm talking to you right now. Okay. So, like I said, first reward which you get is free cryptocurrency, in which you can either get stable coin, altcoin, meme coin. Generally, you will get a meme coin. Rare people, like I said, it's an algorithm. 1 in 500 may get Bitcoin, 10 in 500 may get altcoin, which is Solana or XRP. Not everybody will get everything. If you are getting a meme coin, then very sorry for you. Hard luck it was, because you are not in that 1 in 500 or 10 in that 500. Okay. So next thing, what is the next reward for all of them? And this next reward is for everybody. Everybody means legitly everybody. Welcome user 596908. Welcome user 168821 on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming. Make sure you're active person. Make sure you're using all the three functions. Okay. Coming back to the second reward. What is second reward? Second reward is offering you a chance to gain free experience in the crypto market. I get it. Crypto market is a very new market for you. You are always used to stock market. You are always used to market moving for just 0.5%, 0.1%. That's all. Like that's all the market moves in the stock market on a day-to-day basis. But in the crypto market, market moves like this, like a finger snap. It will go up, finger snap, it will fall down. So for you to gain that experience, we are offering you a 20 USDT bonus amount, which you can take a free trade of a future. Okay. Again, I'll say in future trading, we do not own, we do not buy or sell any cryptocurrency. What we are doing in future trading, we are just predicting the price. We are predicting if the price can go up or the price can go down. That's why we can earn both way profit in the future. Even if the market is crashing, we just have to predict that yes, market can crash more, the price will go more down, and we can earn profit from that. Okay. So once you get that 20 USDT bonus, there are some terms and condition how to use that thing and to gain the maximum profit, or how to not to lose that 20 USDT bonus. First, once you get that 20 USD bonus, do not deposit anything before that 20 USD, because we have seen such cases on the Zbit that people have deposited an amount before using that 20 USD, and after that, once you deposit before using 20 USD, that 20 USD will be gone from the market, gone from your account, and they are wondering, where did my 20 USD go? It will go. Why? Because it's like basically it is a free experience we provide to you. If you do your own deposit, we will feel you do not need an experience, you are experienced trader. So for that thing, that 20 USDT will be gone. It won't be like, see, because as the testimony we have heard from the people, heard from the audience, we have heard that they thought about like, I have 20, I can add more 10 and I can get $30 trade. No, it won't work like that. It is just a 20 USDT. You cannot add more fund in it, nothing. It will be 20 USDT, which you can take a trade. It will give you option either whether you want to do in a BTC or whether you want to do on Ethereum. Okay. Once you tap on one of the option, if you tap on BTC, it will show you a small chart. See, if you don't understand at that moment with a small chart, you can simply go in some other platform like Trading View. You can just simply come on the Trading View. If in that small chart you are not understanding, totally fine. Okay, you can come on the Trading View platform. You can see the previous chart. You can see everything. You can do your analysis of what the market structure is going on, what kind of movement the market I can expect in the next time, and then you can go for that XYZ. Either long will means that you're going for a future prediction of price will go up. That is long. And short means that you're predicting that the price will fall from here. Okay. Once you do your prediction, the trade will be on for 1 hour. It is not a forever trade. That first free trade is only for 1 hour. In that 1 hour, if you gain a good amount of profit, you can have that profit completely by yourself, whatever XYZ profit you earn. Okay. If you earn 1 USDT, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, doesn't matter. That is completely 100% your profit, which you can withdraw, which you can take a trade off, or which you can do whatever you want to do with it. Okay, that's your profit from it. Okay, that is got it. After this, Even if you feel like you grabbed a very good movement, the time you entered the market is actually giving you a, let's say, 5%, 10%, 6% of fall down or going up. In before that 1 hour, you feel that I'm satisfied with my XYZ profit, and from here market may reverse. You can close that trade before 1 hour as well. But if you do not close it, then automatically that trade will be closed in that 1 hour. For example, right now it is 1 o'clock in the Dubai. So it means if I take a trade right now, by the 2 o'clock, my trade will be closed with whatever profit. Now, what about loss? If you face any loss, let's say your prediction goes wrong. You predicted that the price will go up, but it started falling. You are having loss. Do you have to pay for loss? No. Loss will be completely taken care by us. We will take care of that loss. You don't have to pay us any single amount, not a single penny you have to pay us. Okay. That 20 USD was our investment. We lost it. That is totally fine because we gave it to you for gaining a first experience in how the Bitcoin market works, how the movement, what kind of movement you can face, what kind of volatility you can have in the Bitcoin market. That's the first experience you gain. After that, you do deposit, you take a trade, that's up to you. Now then you will be having complete control over whatever you want to do. Got it? Now next thing, one more common doubt I have heard from people. One guy earned a 10 USD profit from that. Okay. And he's thinking like, I had 20 USD, I earned 10 USD profit. That should become investment plus profit, which will become 30 USD, right? But in his available balance, it was just showing 10 USD. Why? He asked. I will tell you this one thing, that 20 USD bonus is not your money. It's not your investment. It is our investment which we gave you to take first trade. Got it? Once you earn XYZ amount of profit, that 20 USD will be taken back and the only profit will be with you. Whatever it is, even if it's 0.5 USD profit you earn, that 0.5 will be in your account. Understood? Whatever 20 USD bonus, the investment will be gone from your account because it was never your money, it was our money. We took it back. Once you have a profit, have the profit. We don't care about it. Have, even if you have like 100 USD profit, it is totally fine by us. Totally fine by us. Understood? Okay. Next thing, you cannot withdraw that 20 USD bonus. Not possible. Some people ask that question as well, like why I'm not able to withdraw money, and then they will say, I will ask which money you want to withdraw. They will say that 20 USD bonus I'm unable to withdraw. It is for you to take a trade, not for you to go home with. Okay, so that is the money which we gave you to take a trade. Just take a trade with it, don't go home. Understood? This is a second reward. Very simple. 20 USD bonus you will be getting to take the first free trade in the future market. Just predict if the price can go up or fall down. It will stay there for 1 hour. If before 1 hour you want to close it, you can do it that as well. Automatically it will be closed in that 1 hour. Whatever profit you earn, that is completely your profit. We don't want any share from it. And whatever loss you face, that is our loss. We don't ask any money from you. Simple. Understood? Good. What about the third? Now, third, in which you can see is not a reward, but you can consider as a reward as well. This is third is a no, this is not third. Yeah. Third is this official live broadcast. Any question, host is here to answer, which is a feature from the Zipit. Now, this is that live stream. People take this live stream very lightly, which I don't feel happy about, because see, this live stream is here, an expert is sitting over here, which can help you in learning trading, solve any of your doubt, anything. It doesn't matter whatever doubt is. You don't know how to learn trading, I will teach you. You don't know how to find the perfect entry, I will show you. You don't know how to like do a risk management, I can teach you all those things as well. whatever you think you need, learning trading from exact scratch, from zero you want to learn, I can show you the way for doing that as well. This is why the live stream is over here, for your benefit, so that you can learn, you can have a one expert, one guide overall through your crypto journey. So whatever difficulty, whatever doubt, whatever learning you want to do, you can do it from this live stream. But for that, your action is needed, which I don't see on this live stream. Action as in ask, what is this, what is that, how you did that, how to do market analysis, how to find the movement, how to decide if the market can fall the next or go up, what will happen in the market, blah 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 blah. There are so many things to learn. How to do trading, how to spot candles, how to spot chart patterns, how to find my entry, what should be my SL, what should be my target price, what should be this, what should be that. There are so many questions every trader, every new trader must have, which can help you to earn knowledge plus a profit plus experience. This is that live stream for. But if you don't gain that knowledge, even if you are on the live stream, you're just watching me, not asking me question, not gaining information, not learning anything. Because see, I'm a push button knowledge. If you ask, I will say. If you don't ask, I will think that you know already. Understanding my point? If you know already, then I won't say anything. I will just do my market analysis and I will try to give you trades. Okay, in this live stream, I also give you live trades, in which if I find in that moment that this is a very good trade going on, I will give you that live trade to give it to you, that take the same trade, earn a good amount of profit in your account. But better than that, you can learn trading over here. This live stream can make you learn trading from the most basic. I'm not saying that you should have some basic knowledge. I'm saying even if you're at a zero level, zero, that you don't even know what blockchain is, you don't even know what USDT is. I only heard dollar. Then why this USDT? What is a digital currency? What are the green? What is even this? These things, what are those green candles, why some has a very long this type of things. Well, where is my mouse? Why is there is some long lower wick, what is this upper wick, why the market went like this to this, and then right now it is doing this, what is happening? I can tell you about everything, but you need to ask. If you don't ask, if you don't put in action, then it's your loss, because Zbit offering you such a great feature completely for free of cost. There is no charge of learning trading, which people take a charge. You have seen that there are online courses, there are online classes and blah 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 thing in which they charge you for learning trading. Zbit is offering you that same thing for completely free of cost, and in that thing, if you don't take advantage, then it's your loss, to be very frank. I am to coming here. I'm coming for 4 hours. I will be here completely 4 hours dedicated to all of you people, for making you, giving you like whatever guide you need from me for your crypto journey. I will be here. But utilize this option. Okay. Now this is the third feature. Now what about, there are two remaining more feature. One is reward, two remaining things. One is reward, and another one is again a feature. Most of the people might not know about this, but Zbit has launched AI Quant bot. You can see it in your app. Zbit has launched AI Quant bot. What this bot is going to do, this bot is going to tell you regarding which of those coins are the most trendy coins in last 1 hour. Because we get it, you have this common doubt, you have this common question, which coin to trade, which is that coin which can give me profit, which is that coin which is trending right now, so that I can be a part of it, I can do trading on it, and I can earn profit from it. You don't know about it, finding coins is very hard, I get it. AI Quant bot is there for you to help. This AI Quant bot is called Zbit. People, all the Zbit users, all the users in the Zbit, they can use this AI Quant bot completely for free of cost. There is no charge in it. You can do it for completely free of cost. Okay. In this, what you need to do is one very simple thing. It will showcase 5 to 6 coin which is most trendy coins in last 1 hour. You can find out those coins, you can trade in those coins, you can gain good amount of profit in those coins, in trendy coins. Understood? This is one feature. And now what about the reward? What is that reward which Zbit is offering you? One extra for those existing people, the people who are already having Zbit. It is called as referral commission reward. Okay. Referral commission, which means just by sharing the Zbit app to other people, you can earn a good amount of commission from us. How the commission will work? See, level 1. If you invite everybody for before that, I want to tell you, see, everybody means legitimately everybody has, whenever you open an account in Zbit, you have an unique invite code, something XYZ, something is here. You have your own invite code, which people can put it at this. Can you see invitation code over here? Can you see invitation code? That person who you are going to invite, it can be your family member, it can be your friend, it can be your colleague, it can be your anybody. Okay, even if you just copy paste that invite code and tell it to your Instagram follower to download it, and they are doing it with your invitation code, if they paste it over here, then if you invite 1 to 4 people, you will be getting 20% of commission. Level 2, if you invite 5 to 9 people, then you will be getting 30% of commission. Level 3, if you invite, this is 2, okay, if you invite 10 to 29 people, then you will be getting 40% of commission on that. Free money, legitly free money. You didn't take a trade, you didn't do any deposit, totally fine. Just invite 1 to 4 people, 5 to 9 people, 10 to 29 people. And there is one last, level 4, if you invite 30 or more, whatever it is now, beyond 30, anything, 30, 35, 40, 50, 60, doesn't matter, you will be getting 50% of commission on that. If you invite 30 and more, 50% of commission. Free money. Just share your invite code, tell that person to copy paste that invite code over here, and you can earn up to 50% of commission from Zbit if you invite more than 30. And I know every person will have, in the day-to-day life, you walk around more than 20 to 30 people around you. If you just tell them to open a Zbit account with your invite code, you can have 50% of commission, and you can also make them aware of start doing trading in the crypto platform. That's all, nothing else. Invite 1 to 4 people, 20%. See, 5 to 9, at least 5 to 9 people are only in your family. A family household has almost 3, 4 or 5 phones. 5 phones, so you have 5 different number you have in your family itself. Rest of the people you can get from your family, rest of the people you can get it from your colleague or some other people. Very simple. The most simplest way of you to earn commission is via this, by just inviting people with your referral code and download them a Zbit app. But there are some conditions. Okay, condition number 1, invite code is the most important thing. If that person doesn't put your invite code over here, if he doesn't put invite code over here, then you will not receive that commission, because it will be not registered under your name. If there is no invite code of yours, it will not register under your name. Okay. Second condition, deposit. First deposit, whatever amount is it, amount is not necessary. Okay, whatever deposit it is, whatever, because see, you also did deposit when you entered, you deposit for taking trades and every of those things. So whatever deposit it does, first deposit should be from live stream function. Live stream, where is live stream? Can you see this live stream? Can you see there is option of deposit downstairs? When that person, if you tell that person to come to the live stream and do a deposit from here only, and then you get the condition satisfied, you receive the commission. Last condition is that he should be having at least 5 trades. He should complete 5 trades. Anything, profit loss doesn't matter, 5 times he should enter in the market in the ZB app. That's all. With whatever USDT, with whatever investment, doesn't matter. Small investment doesn't matter. Big investment doesn't matter. Whatever investment it is does not matter. What matter is 5 trades. Profit, loss, whatever it is, whatever trade, 5 times he should enter into the market. That's all. Once this all three condition is satisfied, you receive your 50%, 40%, 30%, 20%, whatsoever commission you will be receiving. And these are not a very like those kind of condition which is like, oh my god, this is not possible. Invite code possible. Deposit obviously, because if you want to trade into cryptocurrency, you need to deposit. And I'm not giving you condition that you need to deposit 10, 20, 30. No, whatever you feel like, whatever you feel like. After that, 5x, 5 trades, which means I entered, I exit, I entered, I exit, I entered, I exit, I entered, I exit, I entered. This 5 trades completed. If you are completing in 1 day, fine by me. Completing in 1 week, fine by me. Does not matter. Just 5 trades completed. That's it. Commission is yours. Understood? Such a easy way to earn profit from zbit.com. Earning in Zbit is the most easiest way you can see possible. It's not hard. It's very easy to earn profit from zbit.com. Very, very, very easy to earn profit from zbit.com. Okay, understood? 5 rewards. First reward, free cryptocurrency which you receive. Second reward, 20 USDT free bonus. Third reward, this live stream where you can gain knowledge regarding cryptocurrency, knowledge regarding crypto trading, get an help with this host. He can help you clear your doubts, anything, whatever you feel like. Then comes the fourth, which is an AI quant bot which Zbit has recently introduced, which gives you and top 4 to top 5 trendy coins in last 1 hour, so that you can trade in the trendy coins. And then last is the referral commission, which they have started, where you can earn up to 50% of commission. 50%. By doing what? By just doing sharing. That's all. And one more extra reward which I gave to a lot of people. It's basically be active on the live stream. Put comments. Deposit in weekly 3 times. I come live 5 day. In that 5 day, if you deposit 3 or more than time, then and also whenever I give you live trades, take a trade at that moment. The most active people in my live stream is gonna receive the this thing is gonna receive free USDTs, free rewards, or free offers. Anything. Welcome user 899725. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Welcome user 329090. Welcome on this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Do not forget that today we are going to start a challenge of turning a 10 USDT into 1000 USDT, and we are going to do it from live. Every day I will come over here and I will do this live. We will count every day as well. See, this is challenge day number 1. You can see on the screen over here. This is a challenge number day 1. Above me, you can see challenge day number 1. 1 day it is. 1 day of challenge. Today we'll start this challenge of turning 10 into 100. We will see if it's possible or not. We will see if with 10 USDT, with just 10 USDT into the crypto market, can we make and change it to 1000. We will see. Okay. Welcome user 315688. So for all those people to be, I would request you to be a part with me in this challenge and start your challenge off like this. And with that thing, with the challenge thing, I would love to request you, let's start with the same account balance. Let's see, we'll try to make this balance as much as bigger. Do a deposit on the live stream function of 10 USDT, and then we'll start this challenge with together, you 10, me 10, and we'll start this journey of making that 10 into 1000. Okay, but for that, if you have 10 already, completely fine. But for those people who don't even have 10 USDT in their account, start the deposit and put the 10 USDT deposit into your account, and we will start this journey. Okay. And if you don't understand regarding what future trading is or any of those things, please feel free to ask me, because future trading is not spot trading. They are completely two different scenario. Okay. If you know what is future trading already, it is good. But if you don't know, then no. Then I ask, because in future trading, we are not buying or we are not selling any cryptocurrency. Okay. Welcome user 293515. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. Okay, so today we are going to start a challenge of 10 USDT, changing it into 1000. I would request all of the people to be part of it. So please make sure that you're clicking on the deposit option, do a deposit of 10 USDT, and let's begin that challenge of turning that 10 into 1000. Got it? So for me, click on the deposit 10 USDT, be a part with me, and we'll together start this journey. Let's log in and let's start our challenge. Welcome user 352172. Welcome on the live stream. Today we are going to do a challenge of making the market jump up. What is the code? Three, 4, 5, 7. Okay, I've logged in successful. Trade. See, you can see. Welcome user 456771. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. I have started a challenge today. Today is a day one of the challenge in which we will be starting a 10 days live trading challenge in which we try to change that 10 USDT into 1000 USDT. So make sure that you are also to be a part of this live stream, also be a part of this challenge. Click on the deposit option, deposit 10 USDT and start this challenge with me. Turn that 10 USDT into 1000 USDT. That's the challenge we are keeping it for today. Okay. Today you can clearly see above here, it is a challenge day one. Day one of the challenge, we'll try to figure out what the market looks like, whether we want to go for buy, whether we want to go for sell. Sorry, basically, see, we are doing future trading. So future trading is not regarding buy or sell. Okay. Future trading is regarding prediction of the price. We don't buy, we don't own any coin in future trading. If you think that I am buying future coins, I am buying Bitcoin, that means I'm owning Bitcoin. Nah, you are not owning any Bitcoin in future trading. Okay, you are not owning any cryptocurrency in future trading. You are just predicting if the price can go up or go down. Basically, when you play roulette, the roulette, it will spin, will happen, and it will spin, 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 and you have to predict if the color will be red, black, or any number. If your prediction is right, you earn a jackpot. Same on here. If your prediction is right, you earn a good amount of profit. Got it? Okay. So we will observe. See, I will draw my charts. I will draw my charts on TradingView because TradingView is very easy and very like it looks good. It looks good. In Zbit, the charts are not. It's like old chart a lot. So I will be watching the chart on the TradingView and I will be taking trade on the Zbit. Okay. I hope everybody knows how to take a trade in the Zbit app. I hope everybody is aware of all this information which is there. What is margin? What is leverage? What is positions, open, close position, three types of orders: limit order, market order, trigger order, available price, USDT can be turned into BTC as well, order by size, order by value, what you're going to do. Then there are other options of take profit like TP, take profit, SL. Okay. And then there is closing, then there is clicking on open, then transfer, deposit, and it will say. I hope everybody knows it. If nobody knows regarding these things, let me just explain you these options for all of the people so that you will be aware of it. Like, what do you understand by this? See, first is margin. In the future trading, we start from learning what is margin. Margin is protection or no protection, basically protection or no protection of your account. If you want to protect your account, pick your margin which can protect. See, cross margin, no protection, isolate margin, protection. What do you mean by protection, no protection? For example, see margin. Let me just make you understand margin. Margin. There are two margin modes. One is cross, other one is isolated. Cross, isolated. Two options. Okay. What do you understand by cross? What do you understand by isolated? Cross is like no protection of your account. No protection. There is no protection of your account. Your account can go zero, legitly zero from there. Let me explain you by example. For example, let's understand cross first. Okay. If I have available balance of 10 USDT, okay, from which I invested 5 USDT, and I invested 5, I have remaining 5. 5 is my remaining balance. My investment, for example, this is an entry point. Entry point is what? 84. Example. From here, if I say that market will go long, I went for a long position in which I am predicting if the price will go above. If the price will go above, then from this point, I am predicting the price will go above. I am in the profit. But if I go against the trade, if the market goes against me, I went for long, but market is doing short. So I'll start having minus, minus, minus. I will have -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Technically, once I lose my investment, my trade should get closed. Got it? My trade should get closed once I hit my investment. My investment is gone completely. 5 minus 5, I put 5 is minus, my trade should get closed. But if you use a cross margin over here, then it will use the remaining balance. This remaining balance will go on, like it will go for -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. Because I had extra 5 in my balance to keep myself active in that account, active in that trade, it will use my available balance. Because see why it is useful, why some people use cross margin. I will tell you. See, once you hit your minus investment, sometime it may happen like -6 or -7. From the -7, market will start showing the rejection and it will be in the profitable situation. Just because of $2, you will end up losing all the investment. But if you can hold your position for extra -$2 and from the rejection happens, then you are in the profitable state. That's why cross margin uses your available balance, which is here, not the investment to used already. But even though you are having more, market is falling more down than your investment, then it can use your remaining balance to keep you active in the market. Once you are active in the market, from there a rejection can happen, so that you will recover the investment plus the profit as well. Got it? Simple, very simple to understand. This is a cross margin which has no protection of the available balance. It will use the available balance. If it goes complete -10, you had 10, 5 invested, 5 remaining, 5 gone here, remaining 5 will come from here. If it goes complete -10, then you are having zero available balance. If you want to keep the market alive, if you want to keep your trade alive, add more funds. If you don't have more funds, trade will be closed. Okay, your trade will be closed if you don't have the fund. Simple. Cross margin has no protection for the available balance. Your balance will be used in this moment. But if you use isolated margin, can you see isolated margin over here? See BTC margin modes. Can you see BTC margin modes? If you use isolated will do what? It will protect your available balance. Whatever available balance you are having, For example, you have 10 balance, you invested 5 in the market, 5 is remaining. If you take a trade for long or short and it is going against you, if you took a long one, market is having profit, but if market falls down from here, you are having loss. You hit -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Once your investment is gone, you are thrown out of the market. Your trade is closed. Your remaining balance will be completely safe. In the cross margin, your remaining balance is not safe. It is not at all safe. Understood? Okay, this is for the margin mode. Now leverage. I told you in the future trading, you can take leverage as well. You can take XYZ amount of leverage, that you can take a bigger capital. Even though you have just 10 USDT, you can take 20x of leverage and turn that 10 into 200 USDT. Take a bigger trade. Rather than taking 100 USDT trade, we can take a 20 USDT trade. Understood? You can take different types of leverage, and in that leverage you can see maximum holding over here as well. Maximum holding means what? In their quantity, what kind of quantity, max quantity you can buy. See, if you take 5x, you can max take it 8x, max is 2000, increase it 23, max this, increase whatever. The more you increase, the more quantity get decreased. Okay, if you I take 125, max I can buy is 0.5. Understood? Welcome user 397596 on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. I appreciate all of you people coming on the live stream. Today, we are going to start a challenge of turning that 10 USDT into 1000. So I would love to request all of you people to be a part of this challenge. Deposit 10 USDT and start the trading journey of 10 with me. Got it? Cool. Leverage, you understood. Every coin has a different leverage. BTC can go up to max 125. Some other coins like XRP can go is max 75. Yeah, XRP can, you can clearly see XRP can go max 75. 75 is the last of the XRP. Okay. Ritualistic, welcome on the live stream again. Ritualistic, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Do a deposit of 10 USD and start live trade with me. I right now am explaining you all the functions of the future trading, because this is what you're going to be aware of. You should be aware of this all functions. Okay, I explained you margin mode already. I explained you the leverage. Now let's understand the open and close. See, these are positions. Open means you're opening and trade, close means you're closing your trade. Understood? Now there are three types of orders. Market order. One is limit order, second is market order, third is trigger order. I will make you understand all the three types of order over here. What is limit, what is market, what is trigger. We'll understand all these three orders. First, let's understand what do you understand by limit order. See, limit order is like my preference. According to me, I will enter at whatever price I want to enter. See, you go in you go to any shop, okay, that market, like fish market or any kind of market where we do bargaining, not the malls. Mall is fixed, that this is the price you have to buy this. Mall is basically your market order. Like, this is the price, either buy or go home. We don't do bargain over here. Okay. Limit order is like a bargain. Now, what do you understand by bargain? For example, if actual price of that XYZ is, let's say here, which is, sorry, I'll explain you by example. You go to a shop in a market, not the mall. Mall fixed price like a market order. Like, this is the price, enter at right now. Offer was 2 days ago, it is not right now, I cannot help, buy it or go home. Simple, that's market order. Limit order is what? Limit order is bargain. Bargain at a fixed thing. Like in my head, I thought that there is, for example, there is one in the market, you went to buy one t-shirt. That guy will say that my t-shirt price I will do best for you is 200, but no. I am fixed inside my head that I want to buy the t-shirt for 100 rupee itself. Doesn't matter whatever that guy say now. I came in fixed head that I want to buy in 100 rupee. That means 100 rupee. Either you give it or I leave. That is limit order. Same exactly like that. He will try to bargain from 200 to 180 to 150 to 120, but you are fixed that I want to buy it on 100 rupee means 100 rupee only. I won't budge 1 rupee extra. I won't even give 101 or I won't give you 99. I will give you exactly 100. That's my limit. That's my limit. I am fixed with my limit that this is what I'm going to spend today. Same way, easiest way to understand market, limit order, exactly same way. See, market price is what right now? 83. I don't want to enter 83. I do not want to enter at 83. I want to enter at 81. This is the price I want to enter at. So what I'm going to do is I will fix my limit order at 81k. That until and unless the market comes to 81, my order is not placed. Okay. There is no in crypto market, you don't do bargain. You just say 81. I want to enter 81. If market gives you 81, your order will be get executed. If it falls down to 81, your order executed. If it doesn't, then order is not executed. Understood? Simple, very easy to understand. Limit order is what? My fixed price. I want to enter at this price only. Only and only this price. 81 means 81. Not $1 above, not $1 below. I want 81. Until I see that there is, because see, you know, in the future market or in any of the in the spot market, we have order books. Order books, like we have to match the orders. If I want to sell two, there should be some other person who is ready to buy two. That is matching. That you got connected, Bluetooth paired, because we both are matching now. He wants to buy two, I want to sell two. Matched. Other person wants to buy three, I want to sell three. Matched. This is the same thing which happens. If in 81 price, if somebody, if I say like into 80 to 81 price, I want to buy two. If somebody, when the market comes down and he says by the 81, I want to actually sell two. Order matched. My trade is executed because somebody is there to sell two and I'm ready to buy two at 81 price. He's ready to sell at 81. I'm ready to buy at 81. Order placed. That's what happens in the limit order. That market will give you an opportunity to place your own pricing. This is the pricing. Now it depends on market. If it comes down to that point or doesn't come to that point, it depends on the market. But you place your own point. Okay, that this is the price only where I want to enter. I don't want to enter at any other XYZ amount of the price. I want to enter at only that XYZ price. That is my thing. Got it? Simple to understand. This is limit order, my preference. Even if I want to see if person are selling at 83, I don't want to sell at 83. I want to sell at 84. I will wait for market to go to 84. And then only I'll sell. I don't want to sell at 83. Understood? This is limit order. Exactly the way I want it. Not $1 extra, not $1 less. Okay. Now let's understand trigger order. Market order is very simple to understand because market order is what? Just whatever the price market is giving. This is the market price 83925, 83911, 0.5. It will change. Wait. 83901. That's the market price. That's a fixed price which market is giving to us. Okay. Welcome user 868888 on the live stream of the Zibit.com. My name is Yash and I'm explaining you I'm explaining you all the features, all the options of future trading so that you can start your future trading, because today we are starting a challenge of turning that 10 USDT into 1000 USDT. Okay, so be a part of this challenge, take the trades with me so that we can take the same challenge. Okay, before that, let's understand all the functions, all the options. What is limit order? What is market order? What is trigger order? What do you understand by margin mode? What do you understand by leverage? What kind of leverage you should take? What you should not take? All the options over here we will try to understand. Okay. Right now I'm telling you regarding trigger order. What do you understand by trigger order? Trigger order is bargain, but in this, the only difference you have from the limit, in the limit you also doing the bargain. Same way I explained you, like you went to hello, hi user 868888, welcome on the live stream, thank you so much. Rather than calling you by the username, I would love to hear your name. I would love to hear what's your name. Are you a new trader? Have you ever done trading in the Zbit? What kind of profit you have earned? What kind of loss you have earned? Anything, just share. I will help you in achieving anything. Your profit, your loss recovery, learning trading, telling you market research, or telling you market analysis, or even making you understand regarding Zbit. Like if there are a lot of features Zbit has, you don't know about it, ask me. I'm here to help. Oh, okay. So we are learning regarding trigger. Now trigger is same exact thing like limit. But the only difference is that you budge at this moment. I said in the bargain that you went to go in the you went in the market, Mumbai market, and you said that I love this t-shirt, I love this jacket, I love this whatever. And that guy is saying that I am going to sell it at 200, and you are saying no, I want to buy it at 100 only. I won't budge $1 extra or $1 less. I will not do 99. I will not do 101. I will only do 100 for you. Okay. So in that situation, that's the exact price that he has to match 200 to complete the trade. But in the trigger order, things are the same. You are still doing the bargain, but you budge a little. For example, you enter at, this is 83K. You said I want to buy at 81, but market is falling down, and it hits 82 500, no, 82 988. Just few dollar or less. Few dollar is less. Okay, it is not 81. It is sorry, not 82. Sorry. It is 82,011. Just $11 is less for it to become 81. Okay, just $11. Not that big, not that difference to become 81. Just $11 less to become 81,999, something like that. Okay, so if you want to enter at that moment, what he is going to do is the trigger order will find a best trade for you, a best thing, rather entering that whatever you say. Like I said 81, rather entering at 81, he can make you enter at 82,100 if that's the best one for you. Like you budge a little. Market will find a best order for you. He will pick the best order for you in that moment. Rather than fixing at your own price, rather fixing at your own thing that this is the exact price which I'm hoping for, rather than doing that exact price, you budge a little, like okay, I'm agreeing on this as well. Not that big difference, not of 100, 200,000 difference, but $5 to $10 difference, I can agree, and we can enter, we can have this deal. This is trigger order. That market will find a best order for you, not at your price, but if he thinks that it is possible, it is there, he will place your order at that price. If you do a trigger. Welcome user 204863. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much for coming on this live stream. My name is Yash, and I am a live stream host over here. I'll be taking care of your crypto journey. And from today, as you can see, challenge day 1. From today, we are starting a challenge of turning 10 USDT into 1000 USDT. Be a part of this challenge so that you can also change your 10 into 1000. Okay. So for that, what do you do? Click on the deposit option, deposit 10 USDT, and start the challenge with me. If you already have money, that is fine. But if you don't have 10, invest 10, and let's start this challenge of making this journey. Okay. if you don't have 10. If you have 10, that is good enough. Okay. Welcome user 868187. Welcome to the live stream. I was explaining the trigger order. Trigger order means basically that you said that I don't want to enter at market price. I want to enter a different price, but that different price will have even if you 81 is not the entry or it is not giving entry, market find the best order very nearby that range and it will place an order. That is trigger, not the exact price. Limit order exactly the way I want to enter. That's the only. Okay, you understood trigger. Now let's understand open long means that you are predicting I need this update. What update? What update you want? User 868187, what update do you need? You are asking me for I need this update. What update are you asking for? User 868187, what update are you asking for? Okay, he is not replying of what update he needs. How can I help him? What update he needs? Other than this, open long, open short. What do you understand by open long? What do you understand open short? Like I said to you, in the future trading, we do not buy or we do not sell any cryptocurrency. What we are doing in this, we are predicting if the price can go up, if the price can fall down. That's all we are doing. We don't own any cryptocurrency over here. In the future, we do not own. We just predict if the price can go up or price can fall down. Price can fall down means you are if you want to say that price predict the price can go up, open long. If you want to predict if the price can fall, then open short. Simple. Understood? Open long, open short. These are the two things which you can have. Open long, open short. Open long, open short. That's it. Nothing else. And regarding the expiry date, see, every future has start and expiry date. In here we have a perpetual contract, which means you don't have to worry because we got you covered. Perpetual contract means it doesn't have an expiry date. It will not end. It will not end at all. The trade will go on and go on forever and ever and ever till the time you enter and you want to exit, until unless you have currency, you have money to sustain that trade. Okay, it is perpetual, you don't have expiry date, so you don't even have to worry regarding in 10 days expiry is gonna come, they will throw me outside the market or blah blah blah. You don't have to worry regarding that. It's a perpetual contract. Every currency on the future trade at the CBIT is a perpetual one. which doesn't have an expiry date. Okay, it only has start date, no expiry at all. So I hope you have understood regarding every of those things. Now we will start doing taking the challenge of turning that 10 into 1000. I will do the market analysis and every of those things, but I will be coming back in a short break of 15 minutes. I will come back and I will, where is it, where is it, there is no break option over here, so I have to do it from this side. Okay, I'll be coming back in a small break, a very small break of 5 to 10 minutes, and we will continue. We will start our trading journey. We'll start our challenge of 10 to 1000 once I come back. No, user 204863. I said if you deposit in a week, there are 5 days I come. Okay, so 5 days is my week. I come on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. This is the 5 days I come. I said that if you deposit thrice, not twice, thrice, THRICE, thrice a week, then you will be eligible for the criteria for receiving free rewards, free offers, or free USDT, whatever reward I will think. Like every week, it will be something different. Some week it will be USDT, some week it will be reward, some week it will be offer. Okay, so thrice a week you have to deposit on my live stream itself. You can see on the live stream down there is a comment option and there are two options, deposit and take a trade. So in that deposit, if you click on live stream deposit from that whatever amount it is, whatever you want to deposit. Okay, if you do it more than thrice or more than thrice, then you are eligible for receiving free USDT from my side. Got it? If yeah, thrice. I said thrice, not twice. Thrice, 3 times. 3 or more, not 2, 3 or more. On my live stream only. Okay. Welcome user 973718. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Let's start our challenge of a day 1. If we can see of turning this 12 USDT into 1000 USDT. Let's take the challenge. Let me just see what kind of market we can observe and what kind of trade we can take. As per the market structure, what we are looking at a downtrend making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now market has started to fall down, but at this point, if you can see, this is a consolidation phase. Consolidation means what? That market is going sideways, not showing any momentum. Why there is no momentum? Because there is no bigger investment to come. Once a big investment comes, then we can have a movement. Right now we are not having a movement in the market, so that's why we are not having a downfall or up. We are having a basic sideways market like this, like sideways. We are going sideways. Okay, in this, if I have to predict like what can be the next scenario, my prediction goes for one very specific thing, that the market can fall. See, first, the zone which was respected of the fair value gap was this is that fair value gap. Fair value gaps are basically limit orders. Okay, some limit order which were placed over there, they got executed, and from there it is falling down. This is our point from where the market has started to fall. The fair value gap, fair value gap is basically what? Gap between three candle. Can you see there is one gap between one candle, two candle, three candle? This is the gap between three candle. Okay, I will zoom it for all of you people so that you can understand. See, can you see first candle? Then there is a gap. I will, let me delete this. Okay, first candle, and there is this gap between, from here to here there is a gap, here to here there is a gap. These gaps are called what? Fair value gaps. Okay, these fair value gaps will help you in understanding if there are limit orders placed over there or not. We can see this is the gap over here, and we did the same thing. Market did the same exact thing. It fall down, went to that gap, and from there started falling. Same thing I am expecting over here, that market will fall from this gap which is already crossed, and from there it started falling. Second time also it did. Now my prediction is, I am thinking that let's predict if the market can give us a downfall. The market can give, but even see, I am doing a downfall prediction that price can fall down. But at the same point, we can see that there is no momentum in the market. Momentum as in there is no big trades happening, big candles, very big. See, these are the big candle which gives us a very good momentum in the market to capture 1%, 2%, 3%, that kind of momentum we are not finding at this point. We are seeing small candles, which means right now retailers are there in the market. Retailers are us. We are retailers. We are investing with the very small, less amount. We are investing with maybe 10, 20, 30, 40, 100, 200, 300,000, 2,000. That's the only amount which we invest in the market. Right now we are looking at that market which is having a very less investment to make. Okay, in this market, prediction goes wrong 50-50 chances, because retailers are there. Okay, retailers will do what? Sideways. It will make the market go sideways. The market will have momentum of fall or going up when the investor will come. A big investor, whale, corporate people, or smart money will enter in the market for that position. If he enters for investment, it will go up. If he decide to sell more, it will fall. So right now retailers are there in the market, so we will hold our time. We will observe the market for a little bit of time, and we will try to put our entry in the best way possible. I have this possibility that the market can fall more. Okay, for that let's do one thing. Let's try to find something. Let's go for the day scenario. Let's try to find some zones near our market. Okay, can we observe this one thing? This is a demand zone of the market. Okay, and exactly from that place, this is the demand zone made on what? Made on April. This was the April candle, and we can see exactly from that point markets are rejecting for buy side. ट्रेड बता दो भाई. आई एम मैं वही बता रहा हूं, मैं ट्रेड ही बता रहा हूं. पहले मार्केट को समझ लेते हैं कि मार्केट में क्या करना चाहिए. क्या हमें लॉन्ग के लिए जाना चाहिए, क्या हमें शॉर्ट के लिए जाना चाहिए, मैं वही बता रहा हूं. जैसी मुझे समझ में आ जाता है कि मार्केट में क्या करना चाहिए, मैं वो आपको बता देता हूँ. मार्केट में कोई भी ट्रेड लेने से पहले कुछ चीजें करनी पड़ती जो है मार्केट के एनालिसिस, कि मार्केट में हो क्या रहा है पहले वो पता कर लेते हैं. उसके बाद उस तरीके का ट्रेड लेते हैं. यूजर 230696, I will give you trade. Just थोड़ा let's wait for the trade analysis. थोड़ा ट्रेड एनालिसिस करते हैं पहले, उसके बाद में हम ट्रेड के एंट्री में घुसेंगे कि हमें किस टाइप का ट्रेड लेना है. क्या हमें प्रेडिक्शन देना है कि प्राइस और ऊपर जाएगी, या हमें प्रेडिक्शन देना है कि प्राइस गिरेगी. सबसे पहले ये एक अपना डिमांड जोन है. डिमांड जोन में ना ग्रीन कलर का बनाना चाहता हूं. ठीक है, ये अपना डिमांड जोन है. जो ये डे टाइम का डिमांड जोन है जो बनाता है अप्रैल में. अप्रैल में ये वाली कैंडल से एक बड़ी इन्वेस्टर की कैंडल बनी थी, जो बहुत इन्वेस्ट पे इन्वेस्ट करे जा रहे थे, पैसा बड़ा बड़ा पैसा लगा रहे थे। अब उस पॉइंट पे देखेंगे हम, तो आज मतलब ये कल की कैंडल है, कल मार्केट ने उसी, ये जो देख रहे हैं ये ब्लॉक के अंदर मेरी कैंडल गई है, राइट, वहां तक कैंडल गई, ये देख रही है लाइन, इसे बोलते हैं हम लोअर विक। कैंडल के चार कंपोनेंट होते हैं। चार कंपोनेंट कैसे होते हैं? ये अपनी कैंडल की होगी बॉडी, जहां पे होती है ओपन और क्लोज, ओपन और क्लोज। ये दो अलग अलग इसलिए बता रहा हूं कि अगर ग्रीन कैंडल है तो ओपन छोटे प्राइस पे होता है, क्लोज बड़े प्राइस पे होता है, जो बताता है कि प्राइस बढ़ी है, और ओपन ऊपर और क्लोज नीचे रिप्रेजेंट करता है कि प्राइस घटी है। ठीक है, ग्रीन कैंडल की प्राइस होती है कि प्राइस घटी है, और ये होता है कि ओपन ऊपर हुआ है और क्लोज नीचे हुआ है, मतलब रेड कैंडल है, मतलब प्राइस गिरी है। और ग्रीन कैंडल होती है ये ऐसी, ये होगी ग्रीन कैंडल, मतलब ओपन नीचे हुआ है और क्लोज ऊपर हुआ है, मतलब प्राइस बढ़ा है। ठीक है, अब इसमें ये जो लाइन होती है, अब इसमें ये जो लाइन होती है, अरे यार ये गलत गलत बन गया। हाँ, ये जो लाइन होती है ऊपर और ये नीचे, ऐसी दो लाइन होती है जो आप कॉमन देख रहे हैं, ये होती है ये लाइन, ये लाइन, इसे बोलते हैं हम, नीचे वाले को बोलते हैं हम लोअर विक। लोअर विक क्या होता है? लोअर विक वो चीज होती है कि मार्केट कहां तक गया था, मार्केट यहां तक पहुंचा था, फिर यहां से उसने रिजेक्शन लिया, वो भी उस दिन में, मतलब अभी समझ लो मैंने टाइम फ्रेम लगाया है, 1 घंटे का टाइम फ्रेम है मेरा। अब उस 1 घंटे में मार्केट सबसे नीचे कहां तक गया था? यहां तक गया था। उस 1 घंटे में मार्केट सबसे ऊपर कहां तक गया था? सबसे ऊपर मार्केट यहां तक गया। ठीक है, मार्केट ने ओपन और क्लोज, ये 1 घंटे की शुरुआत और ये 1 घंटे की समाप्ति। ठीक है, 1 घंटे में चालू हुआ और जैसे 1 घंटे काउंटडाउन हुआ, 59 मिनट, 59, 50, ब्ला 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 ब्ला, जितना भी टाइम, 1 घंटा जैसे खत्म हो गया, वहां पे कैंडल ने क्लोजिंग दे दी। बट ये हाई और लोअर वीक क्या बताते हैं? इसको हम बोलते हैं एच और इसको हम बोलते हैं एल, लोअर वीक और हायर वीक। इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं कि मार्केट 1 घंटे में सबसे ज्यादा कहां तक पहुंचा था, कौन से प्राइस को टच किया था, और लोअर वीक होते कि उस 1 घंटे के अंदर मार्केट सबसे ज्यादा नीचे कहां तक पहुंचा था। ठीक है, अब उसमें हम ये चीज देखते हैं कि मार्केट सबसे नीचे पहुंचा था ये पॉइंट पे, जहां पे अपना जोन बना हुआ है, जो है डिमांड जोन, डे का डिमांड जोन, जो अप्रैल में बना हुआ था। अब उस अप्रैल के डिमांड जोन में मार्केट ने टैप करके रिजेक्शन लेके ऊपर जा चुका है। ठीक है, पर वापस से नीचे ट्रैवल करता हुआ दिख भी रहा है कि मार्केट वापस नीचे ट्रैवल कर रहा है। ठीक है, तो अभी एक कंडीशन तो दिख गई है कि मार्केट नीचे ट्रैवल कर रहा है, फिर से डिमांड जोन के पास जाने को देख रहा है। अब हम आते हैं 4 घंटे के टाइम फ्रेम पे। 4 घंटे के टाइम फ्रेम पे हमें एक चीज दिख गई कि लोअर लो, जैसे एक मार्केट बनाता है, डाउन ट्रेंड कैसा बनता है, मार्केट नीचे कैसे गिरती है, मार्केट गिरती है, ये नीचे गिरी, हल्की ऊपर गई, ये नीचे गिरी, हल्की ऊपर गई, ये नीचे गिरी, हल्की ऊपर गई, ये नीचे गिर गई। अब इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? इसे हम बोलते हैं लोअर लो। ठीक है, और इसे हम बोलते हैं लोअर हाई। मार्केट क्या बना रहा है? लोअर लो, लोअर हाई, लोअर लो, लोअर हाई, मतलब मार्केट गिर रही है। अभी मार्केट यहां तक गिरी, ये हो गया हमारा लोअर लो, वहां से मार्केट उठी, ये बन गया हमारा लोअर हाई। अब यहां से चांसेस क्या है मैक्सिमम कि मार्केट ये वाला जो प्रीवियस लेवल है, प्रीवियस लेवल कहां बनाता है इसका? ऑलमोस्ट 80 के आसपास, 80 समथिंग के आसपास। तो अभी दूसरा दूसरा जो लोअर लो बनेगा वो इसके नीचे ही बनेगा। तो हमारे पास एक टारगेट क्या होगा कि यहां तक तो मार्केट गिर ही जाएगी, श्योर शॉट है, अगर ये डाउन ट्रेंड कंटिन्यू करता है, जो वो कंटिन्यू कर रहा है। समझ में आ गया? ठीक है, दूसरा एक और ऑप्शन कि मार्केट के जहां से उसने रिजेक्शन लिया है, वहीं पे क्या था? डिमांड जोन था। तो अगर मार्केट फिर से गिर रही है तो फिर से वो डिमांड जोन के पास जाना चाहती है कि कोई इन्वेस्टर वहां पे इन्वेस्ट कर दे, क्योंकि वहां पे डिमांड जोन। तो हमारे पास दो कंफर्मेशन आ गई कि मार्केट गिरने को ही देख रही है। एक तो ये लोअर लो लोअर लो लोअर लो लोअर हाई सिचुएशन, कि मार्केट ने लोअर हाई बना दिया है ऑलरेडी। तो इसके बाद तो नेक्स्ट जो बनेगा वो क्या बनेगा? हमेशा लोअर हाई के बाद क्या बनता है? दूसरा लोअर लो ही बनता है। तो हमारे पास एक कंफर्मेशन ये आ गया कि मार्केट दूसरा क्या बनाएगा? लोअर लो बनाएगा। लोअर लो कहां बनेगा? इस पॉइंट के नीचे। ठीक है, ये मेरा पहला लोअर लो है, जहां से मार्केट उठी है और क्या बनाई है? लोअर हाई। अब यहां से मार्केट गिरेगी, क्या बनाएंगी? लोअर लो। तो एक कंफर्मेशन ये आ गया मेरे पास। दूसरा कंफर्मेशन कि वहां पे जैसे मैंने देखा था, डिमांड जोन बनाया था मैंने, 1 डे पे डिमांड जोन बना था, वो भी यहीं पे बना था। अब ये भी हो सकता है कि मार्केट यहां से उठी, डिमांड आया क्या मार्केट में, मार्केट में बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट आया क्या? नहीं आया। तो अगर मार्केट में बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं आया तो मार्केट क्या करेंगी? फिर से उस डिमांड जोन पे जाने का ट्राई करेगी कि फिर से एक डिमांड आ जाए या फिर यहां से मार्केट उठ जाए। ठीक है, ये दो चीजें होगी, दो कंफर्मेशन आ गया। अब मेरे को थोड़ा सा एक ऐसी जगह पे, हाँ ये वाले टाइम पे मेरे को एक चीज देखनी है। ठीक है, अब ये मार्केट हुआ कंसोलिडेट, इसी को बोलते हैं साइडवेज मार्केट, कि साइड में जा रहा है सीधा, ऐसा ना ऊपर ना नीचे, साइड में जा रहा है। अब साइड में जाने के बाद ये जो रेड कैंडल थी, ये क्या थी? सेलर की आखिरी कोशिश। सेलर ने आखिरी कोशिश किया कि मैं मार्केट को गिरा दूं, पॉसिबल हुए नहीं हुए, वहां से क्या किया? बायर ने पूरा मार्केट उछाल दिया ऊपर। तो इसी को बोलते हैं हम डिमांड जोन। डिमांड जोन मतलब क्या होता है? जहां से बायर लोग अपना मार्केट उछाल देते हैं। ठीक है, तो मैं वो जोन पहले बना देता हूं। अपन वो लाइन ही बना देते, एक लाइन मैंने यहां बना दिया, एक लाइन मैंने यहां बना दिया। ठीक है, ये मेरा हो गया जोन डिमांड का। उसके अलावा और क्या दिख रहा है मुझे? उसके अलावा और कुछ है चीजें देखने के लिए? उसके अलावा एक और चीज है कि एक डिमांड यहां से बढ़ा था और एक डिमांड यहां से बढ़ा था। एक बार मार्केट नीचे आया, उठा, फिर वहीं से आया और एकदम से उड़ गया था। ठीक है, तो एक डिमांड यहां पे है मेरा और एक डिमांड यहां पे, क्योंकि दोनों साइड में सेम चीज हुई है। एक ऑब्जर्व करोगे तो दोनों साइड में क्या हुआ है? दोनों साइड में जैसी मार्केट ये पॉइंट पे आई उछल गई और जैसी मार्केट ये पॉइंट पे आई उछल गई। ठीक है, तो मेरे पास है कितने? दो डिमांड जोन। तो मैं दोनों डिमांड जोन प्लॉट कर दूंगा मार्केट में। एक और डिमांड जोन जो मेरा ये वाला बना हुआ है यहाँ पे, इसको मैं प्लॉट कर दूंगा यहाँ पे। अब उसी के साथ एक चीज, एक और चीज ऑब्जर्व करो, एक और चीज ऑब्जर्व करो। मेरी पेंसिल, हाँ ठीक है। अब ये जो दो लो बनाए हैं वो बहुत सेम जगह पे नहीं बने, बहुत सेम जगह पे, कि मार्केट गिरी, वहां से उठी और फिर से वहीं पे गिरी जहां पे पहली गिरी थी और वहीं से वापस उड़ गई। मतलब दोनों जगह पे बहुत सेम टाइम पे मार्केट गिरी है, एक ही जगह पे। पहले गिरी, उसी जगह से उठी और उसी जगह पे वापस आई और वहीं से उठ गई। अब इसे क्या बोलते हैं हम? लिक्विडिटी ट्रैप। मतलब इस पॉइंट के नीचे मार्केट जाएगा, क्यों जाएगा? क्योंकि उसे पता है इसके नीचे लोगों को क्या लगता है कि ये बहुत हो गया स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट, कि इसके नीचे तो मार्केट जा ही नहीं सकता। ठीक है, और ये पॉइंट पे ऑब्जर्व भी करना कि ये पॉइंट से ऊपर जाने के बाद में ये गई थी कब? अप्रैल, अप्रैल में गई थी। ठीक है, अप्रैल, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, 6 महीना, 6 महीने मार्केट कभी उसके नीचे नहीं गई। ये पूरा अप्रैल, ये हो गया अपना अक्टूबर, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, नवंबर, अक्टूबर, ब्ला 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 ब्ला, तब तक देखा जाए तो मार्केट इस लेवल के नीचे कभी गई नहीं। तो मतलब यहां पे जितने लोगों ने बाय किया था वो आज भी प्रॉफिट में है। समझ में आ रहा है कि यहां पे अप्रैल में जिन लोगों ने यहां पे ये जो हरी हरी कैंडल से बाय किया हुआ है वो आज भी मार्केट में प्रॉफिट में है, क्योंकि उसके नीचे तो मार्केट गया नहीं। अब यहां से जब उन्होंने बोल दिया होंगे यहां से मैंने बाय कर लिया, जब तक उनका मार्केट इस एंट्री पॉइंट के ऊपर है वो प्रॉफिट में है। जब इस एंट्री पॉइंट के नीचे जाएगा तब जाके उनको लॉस होगा। अब मार्केट को ये चीज दिख रही है, ये चीज समझ में आ रही है कि यहां पे बहुत सारे लोगों ने कर लिया है बाय। थोड़ा मैं डिलीट कर देता हूँ, थोड़ा कीचड़ कीचड़ जैसा हो गया, खिचड़ी हो गई है, थोड़ा डिलीट कर देते हैं, क्लियरली समझेगा। एक सेकेंड। ठीक है, तो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं कि यहां पे जिन लोगों ने ट्रेड लिया हुआ है बाय का, वो अभी तक प्रॉफिट में है, अभी तक उनका कोई नुकसान नहीं हुआ, अभी तक प्रॉफिट में, 6 महीने से प्रॉफिट में है वो, 6 महीने से फुल प्रॉफिट है। क्योंकि अप्रैल में खरीदा था, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, ये नवंबर चालू है। 6 महीने से ये सारे के सारे लोग जिन्होंने यहां पे ट्रेड लिया हुआ है बाय का, वो सारे अभी तक प्रॉफिट में है। ठीक है, अब मार्केट इसके नीचे आने को देखेंगे क्योंकि इनका लॉस कराना है। तब जाके मार्केट को पैसा मिलेगा, इनका लॉस कराओगे तब जाके पैसा मिलेगा। इसलिए मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि अभी तक हमारे पास कितने दो जोन हो गए, एक जिसके मार्केट जो यहां से नीचे गिर चुकी है ऑलरेडी, अभी अगर मैं रिसेट करता हूँ मार्केट, ठीक है, ये आ गया मैं अभी वाले मार्केट पे, ठीक है, अभी वाले मार्केट पे देखता हूं तो ये पहला वाला डिमांड जोन था जो 80 83 84 के लेवल बना था 4 घंटे के इस पे, वो वाले पे मार्केट वहां से नीचे गिर चुकी है, आपको दिख रहा है, ठीक है, यहां से मार्केट ने नीचे गिरना चालू कर दिया है। अब एक ये जोन है जहां तक मार्केट गिर सकती है, क्योंकि ये भी एक डिमांड जोन है। मार्केट हमेशा गिरती है तो कहां गिरती है, दो चीजों के पास गिरती है, एक तो कोई फेयर वैल्यू गैप के पास गिरेंगी या फिर कोई डिमांड जोन के पास गिरेगी, क्योंकि ये दो ऐसी चीजें हैं जहां पे बड़ा पैसा उन्हें मार्केट को मिल सकता है। एक होता है फेयर वैल्यू गैप, एक होता है डिमांड जोन, जो ये ऐसे दो जोन है जहां पे मार्केट को बड़ा पैसा मिल सकता है। मार्केट क्या करेगी, मार्केट पैसे की तलाश में घूमती है, ठीक है, यहां से उसने घूमना चालू किया नीचे की तरफ में। अभी हमारे पास एक सेफ ट्रेड है, सेफ ट्रेड, मैंने बोला ये हो गया अपना लोअर लो, यहां पे मार्केट ने बनाया अपना लास्ट लोअर लो, मैं लिख देता हूं वहां पे, ठीक है, ये हो गया अपना एल एल लोअर लो, ये मार्केट ने बनाया अपना लास्ट लोअर लो, ठीक है, और ये बनाया मार्केट ने अपना लास्ट लोअर हाई, ये लास्ट है, ठीक है, आखिरी के दो, आखिरी के लोअर लो और आखिरी का लोअर हाई। अब इसके बाद लोअर लो के बाद मार्केट क्या बनाती है, अगर हम डाउन ट्रेंड का बात करें, डाउन ट्रेंड में ये ऐसा मार्केट घूमता है, ठीक है, ये गिर रहा है मार्केट, ये अपना लोअर लो होता है, ये भी लोअर लो होता है, ये भी लोअर लो होता है, ये होता है लोअर हाई, ये होता है लोअर हाई, ये होता है लोअर हाई, ठीक है, कि इससे ऊपर है तो ये लोअर हाई हो गया, इस लो से नीचे है तो ये हो गया लोअर लो। समझ में आ गया, लोअर हाई क्या होता है कि ये पहला लोअर था, उससे नीचे मार्केट ने लो बना दिया तो हो गया लोअर लो, और नीचे गिर गई, उसके भी नीचे गिर गई और लोअर हो गई, ये हो गया लोअर हाई, ये हाई बनाया, और ये दूसरा जो हाई बना है इसके नीचे बना है तो इसको बोलते हैं हम लोअर हाई। अब जब भी लोअर हाई बनता है तो दूसरा क्या बन रहा है, क्या दिख रहे हो तुम, ये बना फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, सेकेंड के बाद क्या आया, थर्ड आया, थर्ड में क्या है लोअर लो, ये गया फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स, अभी सेवेंथ बनेगा, सेवन बनेगा, सेवन में क्या बन रहा है कि सिक्स बना लोअर लो, सेवेंथ क्या बनेगा लोअर लो, सॉरी सिक्स बना लोअर हाई, तो सेवेंथ क्या बनेगा लोअर लो, तो हमें क्या करना है, सिंपल सा सेफ ट्रेड लेंगे हम, सेफ ट्रेड, कौन सा ट्रेड लेंगे, हम ट्रेड लेंगे सेल का, कि मार्केट का प्रेडिक्शन करेंगे, क्योंकि मैंने पहले बोल दिया फ्यूचर में ट्रेडिंग में हम बाय सेल नहीं करते, हम कोई ट्रेडिंग, हम कोई कॉइन नहीं खरीद रहे, हम कोई कॉइन नहीं बेच रहे, ठीक है, हम क्या करते हैं सिर्फ प्राइस प्रेडिक्शन करते हैं कि यार प्राइस कहां जा सकती है, ये होता है फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग। फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग में हम सिंपल क्या बोलते हैं कि यार प्राइस कहां जा सकता है, प्राइस बढ़ेगा या प्राइस नीचे गिरेगा, ये होती है फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग। हम कोई बाय सेल नहीं कर रहे, हम कोई मतलब ऐसे अगर मैंने यहाँ पे लॉन्ग का ट्रेड लगा दिया, इसका मतलब नहीं है कि मैंने वो 2 BTC खरीद लिया है ये मेरे पास है, ऐसा नहीं है, मैंने क्या किया है बस अपनी क्वांटिटी के हिसाब से, अपनी क्वांटिटी के हिसाब से मैंने बस बाय, मतलब ये क्या बोल दिया कि यहां से मार्केट एक तो उठ सकती है नहीं तो गिर सकती है, मैं बस अंदाजा लगा रहा हूं कि भविष्य में क्या हो सकता है, इसी को बोलते हैं फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग, फ्यूचर मतलब भविष्य होता है, सही, भविष्य में मार्केट कहां जा सकती है इसका प्रेडिक्शन देते हैं, उसे बोलते हैं फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग, ठीक है। अब जोन से नीचे गिर चुकी है मार्केट, गिरना चालू हो गई है, नेक्स्ट कहां तक जाएगी, लोअर लो तक जाएगी। अब मैं क्या करूंगा यहाँ पे, मैं सिंपली BTC में जाऊंगा, ये मैंने अपना पहला ट्रेड लगा दिया यहाँ, अब मैं अपना पहला ट्रेड लगा रहा हूं, मार्केट ऑर्डर पे लगाऊंगा मैं, मुझे लिमिट ऑर्डर नहीं लगाना है, ठीक है, ये यहाँ पे भी दिखा देता हूं मैं, एक सेकेंड, थोड़ा डिलीट, ठीक है, थोड़ा इधर भी मैं अपना चार्ट ड्रॉ कर लेता हूँ, वो तो ट्रेडिंग व्यू में किया था, क्योंकि ट्रेडिंग व्यू का और इसका थोड़ा प्राइस का हल्का डिफरेंस होता है, ठीक है, इतना कोई बड़ा डिफरेंस नहीं होता है। अरे यार, ये यही तकलीफ है जीबिट की, इसलिए मेरे को ये जीबिट का चार्ट पसंद नहीं, क्योंकि ये बराबर से मूव ही नहीं करता ये, इसलिए मैं हमेशा ट्रेडिंग व्यू का चार्ट देखता हूँ, ट्रेडिंग व्यू का चार्ट बराबर ऊपर नीचे आए दाएं सही हर जगह घूमता है, ट्रेडिंग व्यू का चार्ट, जीबिट का चार्ट नहीं घूमता हर जगह। यही मेरे को नहीं पसंद है इसमें। अब देखो पिछले की अभी क्या मैंने बनाया भी नहीं फिर भी आ गया हो। ठीक है, वो छोड़ देते हैं। दे दे भाई, घूम जा, थोड़ा घूम जा, जाने दे। तेरे को नहीं घूमना है मत घूम, थोड़ा वेट अपन कम कर देते हैं। ठीक है, ये मेरा हो गया वो वाला पॉइंट जहां तक मुझे लगता है कि मार्केट गिर सकती है। ठीक है, अभी यहाँ पे कितना मैंने एक आर का कैंडल कैंडल देख रहा हूँ। ठीक है, अब ये लोअर विक बना रहा है ये। ठीक है, लोअर विक मान लो तो मतलब मार्केट थोड़ा नीचे जा रही है, क्लोजिंग हुई नहीं है, मार्केट कैंडल की क्लोजिंग नहीं हुई है अभी तक। कैंडल की क्लोजिंग का टाइम भी यहाँ पे नहीं दिखता है, जो यहाँ पे ट्रेडिंग व्यू में यहाँ पे दिखता है। अभी अगर मैं यहाँ पे 1 घंटे की चार्ट में जाऊं तो यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे टाइमिंग देखिए 19 मिनट बाकी है कैंडल क्लोजिंग को। ये जीबिट के चार्ट में नहीं दिखता ये सब कि कितना टाइम बचा हुआ है कैंडल क्लोज करने के लिए, ये वो यहाँ पे ये नहीं दिखता ये सब चीजें। यहाँ पे अभी क्लियर दिख रहा है मेरे को ट्रेडिंग व्यू पे कि 18 मिनट बचे हुए कैंडल क्लोज देने के लिए। मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं 18 मिनट वेट करना चाहता हूँ। 18 मिनट में वेट क्यों करना चाहता हूँ कि क्या पता ऐसा बड़ा रिजेक्शन आ जाए, तो वेट करते हैं कैंडल की दूसरे इसमें हम ट्रेड लेंगे। ठीक है, थोड़ा सा हल्का सा मार्केट नीचे से रिजेक्ट हो जाए तो मैं ट्रेड ले लूंगा, अपना किसके ले लूंगा, यहाँ पे सीधा मार्केट ऑर्डर पे जाके मैं ओपन शॉर्ट कर दूंगा। ठीक है, मैं सारी एंट्री डालकर रख देता हूं। मेरे पास 12 यूएसडीटी है, मैं 12 यूएसडीटी का 50% यूज करना चाहता हूं यहाँ पे, क्योंकि मुझे थोड़ी गारंटी है इस बात की कि ये सही में नीचे चले जाएगी मार्केट। ठीक है, अब ये अगर ये मेरे पास गारंटी है तो मैं 50% लगाने को मैं रेडी हूं यहाँ पे। मैं लेवरेज ले रहा हूं 10 का, 20 का लेवरेज नहीं लेना चाहिए, 10 का लेवरेज लेंगे चुपचाप से। 10 का लेवरेज ले लिया मतलब मैंने क्या कर लिया, अरे 10 हो जा भाई, हाँ कंफर्म। 10 का लेवरेज मैंने ले लिया यहाँ पे। अब 10 के लेवरेज पे क्या हो गया है कि इसका 50% कितना लगा रहा हूं मैं, मतलब 6% लगा रहा हूं यूएसडीटी। अब 6 यूएसडीटी का 10 मतलब करो, मैं 6 यूएसडीटी का ट्रेड लगा रहा हूं। ठीक है, मैंने ले लिया है 6 यूएसडीटी का मैं ट्रेड लेना चाहता हूं, पर उसके ऊपर मैंने कितना लिया है, 10x का लेवरेज लिया है। मतलब मेरा 6x कितना हो गया, 6 इंटू 10, 60 यूएसडीटी की मैं ट्रेड ले रहा हूं यहां पे, क्योंकि मैंने 10x का लेवरेज लिया हुआ। समझ में आ गई, 6 मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट है, पर मैंने लेवरेज कितना लिया है यहाँ पे, 10 का लेवरेज लिया है, तो 6 इंटू 10, 60। समझ में आ गई, मैंने कितना ले लिया, 60 यूएसडी का भी मैं ट्रेड लेने वाला हूं यहाँ पे। थोड़ा वेट करते हैं, हल्का सा रिजेक्शन आ जाए मार्केट में, 17 मिनट बचा हुआ है मार्केट को बनने में। ठीक है, क्योंकि देखो कभी भी है ना, अगर तुम समझो फॉर एग्जाम्पल बता रहा हूं मैं। ठीक है, अब ये 17 मिनट बचा हुआ है मार्केट की खत्म होने में, ये वाली कैंडल जो है 17 मिनट में खत्म हो जाएगी, बंद हो जाएगी, और दूसरी नई कैंडल बनना चालू हो जाएगी। ठीक है, अब एक चीज ऑब्जर्व करना हमेशा, एक चीज कि हर एक कैंडल हमेशा ये अपर विक बनाती है, चाहे वो छोटी हो, बड़ी हो, मीडियम साइज की हो, कोई भी साइज की हो, थोड़ी तो बनाती है। मतलब उस कैंडल में हल्के थोड़े से लोग तो बाय ट्रेड लेते, हल्का सा मार्केट ऊपर उठाने की कोशिश करते हैं। अभी हम जब भी शॉर्ट ट्रेड लेते हैं कि हमें चाहिए कि यार मैं प्रेडिक्शन देता हूं कि मार्केट गिर जाए, तो मैं हमेशा ऐसे प्राइस से लूं कि जो ऊपर वाला प्राइस हो, फिर वहां से नीचे गिरे, मेरे को प्रॉफिट ज्यादा होगा। ठीक है, नीचे प्राइस से नीचे करूं तो थोड़ा दिक्कत है कि कभी थोड़ा ऊपर चले जाए तो मेरे को नुकसान ना हो जाए। तो मैं चाहता हूं हमेशा कि ऐसा ऊपर वाले प्राइस से मैं देखूं एंट्री जहां पे मेरे को ज्यादा प्रॉफिट हो नीचे की तरफ। ठीक है, तो अभी ये कैंडल हो जाएगी कितने, 16 मिनट में क्लोज। 16 मिनट के क्लोज के बाद जब दूसरी कैंडल बनेगी, कुछ तो नहीं बोल के 10-15 लोग तो जाएंगे हल्के बाई के लिए। अब जब वो बाई के लिए जाएंगे तो मेरे को मौका क्या मिलेगा, बड़े और ऊपर वाले प्राइस से एंट्री लेने के लिए नीचे की तरफ में। तो मैं उसी चीज का वेट कर रहा हूं यहां पे कि जब दूसरा कैंडल बने, थोड़े से बायर लोग घुसे उसके अंदर, और उस थोड़े बायर घुसने के बाद में मैं अपनी एंट्री ले लूं नीचे की तरफ में, फ्यूचर की शॉर्ट सेल ले लूं मैं। समझ में आ गई बात, समझ में आ गई बात, उतना सिंपल है। ठीक है, अभी हम सिर्फ वेट करेंगे ये कैंडल की क्लोजिंग का। जैसे ये कैंडल ने क्लोजिंग दे दी, दूसरे कैंडल के थोड़े हल्के ऊपर में जाके हम ट्रेड ले लेंगे। कहां तक लेंगे, मेरा टारगेट कहां तक होगा, मैं अपना एसएल सॉरी टेक प्रॉफिट कहां पे लगाऊंगा, मैं अपना टेक प्रॉफिट लगाऊंगा 80658 पे। ये मेरा होगा टारगेट। मैं टारगेट लगाऊंगा कहां पे, ये प्राइस दिख रही है यहाँ पे, देखो यहाँ पे प्राइस दिखते है, ठीक है, मेरा एरो दिख रहा है, ये एरो, ये देखो ये मेरा एरो है, घूम रहा है, यहाँ पे प्राइस दिखती है, ठीक है। मैंने एग्जैक्टली वो अपने ट्रेंड लाइन पे लगा दिया, जहां पे अभी प्राइस क्या दिख रही है, एक सेकंड, प्राइस दिख रही है अभी 80686। यहाँ पे हम लगाएंगे अपना ट्रेड कि यहां तक मैं रेडी हूं टेक प्रॉफिट लेने के लिए, यहां पे मेरा टेक प्रॉफिट है। समझ में आ गया? देखो यहां से रिजेक्ट हुआ थोड़ा सा मार्केट, हल्का हल्का देखो ऊपर 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 जा रहा है, ठीक है, दिख रहा है हल्का हल्का ऊपर ऊपर जा रहा है। लगा देते हैं। ऐसा मत करे यार अभी। एटी 3.6 के नीचे भी नहीं रह सकता ट्रेड, ऐसा क्यों भाई? लेवरेज थोड़ा ज्यादा लेना पड़ेगा फिर। 20, ठीक, 20 भाई, कंफर्म 50। अब भी नहीं। यही दिक्कत होती है, पता है कि छोटा इन्वेस्टमेंट करो ना तो यही दिक्कत होती है, छोटा इन्वेस्टमेंट काम नहीं करता यार। छोटे इन्वेस्टमेंट में बड़ा बहुत तकलीफें आ जाती है। अब ये 12 ही है यार, एटलीस्ट 50-60 रहे तो कुछ मजा है। हंड्रेड परसेंट लगा दोगे फिर? रुक जाते हैं थोड़ा सा। 60 का ट्रेड ले भी नहीं सकते, मिनिमम ट्रेड 83 का लेना है। इथेरियम देखिए क्या, इथेरियम की भी सेम हालत है, हम इथेरियम में ले सकते हैं पूरे। 50x थोड़ी भाई, इथेरियम में हम 10 का ही लेते हैं। कंफर्म 50 यूएसडीटी में 6 लगा देंगे। ठीक है, हमारा प्रॉफिट रहेगा टेक प्रॉफिट ये लाइन पे, ये मेरा टेक प्रॉफिट है। टेक प्रॉफिट का प्राइस क्या है यहाँ पे, 2622। 2622 मेरा टीपी है, टीपी 2622, ठीक है, ये हो गया मेरा टीपी। थोड़ा हल्का वेट, हल्का वेट, थोड़ा ऊपर से हल्का ऊपर हो जाए फिर वहां से एंट्री लेंगे। बीटीसी में एंट्री नहीं ले सकते, $83 मांग रहा है यार। 20x के ऊपर लेवरेज लेना नहीं चाहता हूं मैं, क्योंकि अगर मार्केट पलटा तो फिर वो पूरा ही चले जाएगा मेरा पैसा। तो वो जो चीज मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ। थोड़ा दूसरे कॉइन में इन्वेस्ट करते, जरूरी थोड़ी बीटीसी में करना है। पैसा कमाना है, राइट? पैसा कैसे भी कमाए। अरे भाई यार, तू ऊपर क्यों नहीं जाता है भाई यार? तू ऊपर, तेरे को क्या तकलीफ है ऊपर जाने से? ऐसा क्यों नहीं घूमता है? तो ये ऐसा कैसा मस्त गोल गोल, कहीं पे भी हर जगह पे मैं इसको भेज सकता हूँ अपना मार्केट, ऊपर नीचे दाएं बाएं सीधा ऊपर। ये चीज यहाँ क्यों नहीं होती? ये चीज ऊपर नीचे क्यों नहीं जाती है? ये सिर्फ आगे पीछे ही जाती है। अरे ऊपर नीचे भी जाया कर यार। हल्का सा ऊपर एंट्री ले लेंगे जल्दी से। और देखो, देख रहा है रिजेक्शन हो रहा है हल्का हल्का। वो कैंडल को अगर थोड़ा फोकस करो तो हल्की सी कैंडल ऊपर उठती है, फिर नीचे गिर जाती है, फिर हल्की ऊपर उठती है। अभी हल्की ऊपर क्यों उठ रही है? क्योंकि लोग बाय ऑर्डर डाल रहे हैं वहां पे। लोग प्राइस को ऊपर फेंकना चाहते हैं, इसे देखो अभी वापस से हल्की हल्की ऊपर उठ रही है। अब यही इसमें मैं थोड़ा ज्यादा ऊपर हो जाए ना, तो फिर मेरे पास एंट्री अच्छी मिल जाएगी मेरे को। कितना टाइम बाकी है? 8 मिनट बाकी है कैंडल को खत्म होने के लिए। 8 मिनट, 7 मिनट। यहाँ पे टाइमिंग भी नहीं दिखता यार। इस रिबिट का थोड़ा सा मैप का है तकलीफ। चार्ट। बम 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 बम। ये 2705 या 4 पे आ जाए ना तो मैं एंट्री ले लूंगा। 205 या 4 बेस्ट रहेगा। अच्छा, थोड़ा ऊपर से एंट्री लेंगे तो और अच्छा प्रॉफिट मिलेगा। ये देखो 205 पे आ गया, फिर 6 पे चलेगा। रेडी? नहीं, मैं रुक ही जाता हूँ। मैं 6 मिनट रुकना चाहूंगा। क्या पता दूसरी कैंडल थोड़ी हल्का ऊपर प्रेशर डाले, मार्केट थोड़ा हल्का सा ऊपर चले जाए। क्यों मैं अपना नुकसान करवाऊं? सॉरी, ये थोड़ा सा ना 207 या 8 पे चल जाए ना तो मेरे को और प्रॉफिट होगा, मतलब अच्छे ऊपर से एंट्री लेंगे। ये 207 या 8 पे, 207। अभी 2705 है। ये 2707 या 78 पे चले जाए, वहां से एंट्री लेंगे। आ गए 207 या 8 पे, देख रहे कैंडल खत्म होते से ही, मतलब जब आखिरी आखिरी समय आ जाता है ना कैंडल खत्म होने के, भी 4 मिनट बाकी है, उस 4 मिनट में हल्के हल्के नीचे से बाय करना चालू कर देते हैं, और यही बायर हमें दिखते हैं कैंडल की शुरुआत में, जो मार्केट को हल्का ऊपर फेंकते हैं। दूसरी कैंडल में एंट्री लेंगे ब्रोज, सारे लोग जो भी देख रहे हैं दूसरी कैंडल में एंट्री लेंगे, दूसरी कैंडल में, इसके बाद जो दूसरी कैंडल बनेगी हल्का सा बाय देगी, वहां पे एंट्री लेंगे। अब देखो यहाँ पे 2708 आ गया, जो मैंने बोला था कि वहां तक आ जाएगी मार्केट हल्का सा। अब ये क्या हो रहा है, धीरे धीरे मार्केट जब खत्म होने का टाइम आ रहा है, कैंडल जब खत्म होने का टाइम आ रहा है, धीरे धीरे बायर्स घुस रहे हैं कैंडल के अंदर, ठीक है। अभी नेक्स्ट कैंडल में हम देखेंगे, नेक्स्ट कैंडल में हम एंट्री लेंगे। वेलकम यूजर 454542, we will do live trade 2709, rejection is continuing, so let's wait for more higher price entry, क्योंकि फिर मैं अपना नुकसान क्यों कर रहा हूँ ना, अगर मैं यहाँ पे एंट्री ले लेता हूँ, अगली कैंडल थोड़ा और ऊपर फेंक देंगी तो क्या मतलब रहेगा, मैं अपना नुकसान क्यों कर रहा हूँ, व्हाई शुड आई मेक माय ओन trade go loss, if I can enter at more higher price in the next channel, I will enter at higher price. Have patience, patience is a very good key for trading. If you know that by the end you can clearly see the rejection has started to happen, then wait for the rejection, let the rejection complete. See, now it became 2710, I can enter at more higher price, I will wait, I will have patience. 2711, अभी मैंने क्या बना लिया, ये है एक सपोर्ट ट्रेंड लाइन, ये रेजिस्टेंस ट्रेंड लाइन, जब जब सॉरी ये है सपोर्ट ट्रेंड लाइन, ये रेजिस्टेंस ट्रेंड लाइन, जब जब मार्केट ये ट्रेंड लाइन के पास आ रही है हल्की सी मार्केट उठ जा रही है, और जब जब मार्केट ये वाले ट्रेंड लाइन के पास आ रही है वहां से मार्केट गिर जा रही है, ये दिख रहा होगा, मार्केट ट्रेंड लाइन के पास है गिर गई, मार्केट ट्रेंड लाइन के पास है गिर गई, मार्केट ट्रेंड लाइन के पास है गिर गई, मार्केट ट्रेंड लाइन के पास है उठ गई, मार्केट ट्रेंड लाइन के पास है उठ गई, मार्केट ट्रेंड लाइन के पास है हल्का सा रिजेक्शन अभी देखने मिल रहा है, समझ गए। तो मूवमेंट हमें ये वाला और फिर ये यहां से गिरने वाला मिल सकता है, ऑब्जर्व, कभी भी जल्दबाजी में एंट्री नहीं लेनी है, हमारे पास समय है, हम वेट करेंगे, हम वेट करके ही एंट्री लेंगे। अभी दूसरी कैंडल अगर ब्रेकआउट दे देंगी तो बेस्ट होगा। सिर्फ नेक्स्ट कैंडल बनना चालू हो गई है। नेक्स्ट कैंडल अगर थोड़ा ऊपर भागने लग जाएगी हमारे लिए बहुत बेस्ट है, वहां से हम ऊपर से एंट्री लेंगे। पर एंट्री मैं अभी यहाँ नहीं लूंगा। फिर अगर ये ऊपर भागने रेडी हो गई है, अगर ये कैंडल ग्रीन कैंडल बन जाती है, तो मैं एंट्री मैं चाहूंगा कि मार्केट एटलीस्ट यहाँ पे टच करके फिर मैं यहाँ से एंट्री लूंगा। क्योंकि मेरे को दिख रहा है ना कि ये वाली ट्रेंड लाइन के पास ही मार्केट जाके नीचे गिर रहा है, तो फिर मैं ये बीच में से नीचे नीचे वाली ट्रेड क्यों लूंगा? जब मुझे पता है कि इस मार्केट यहीं से गिर रही है, तो मैं वहीं से एंट्री लूंगा अपनी शॉर्ट सेल की, शॉर्ट की। यहीं से एंट्री लूंगा मैं शॉर्ट की। मैं यहाँ बीच में एंट्री क्यों लूं जब मेरे को पता है मार्केट यहाँ पे ट्रेंड लाइन के पास जाके ही 10-10 बार गिर रही है? तो मैं वेट ही करूंगा ना मार्केट का उस ट्रेंड लाइन के पास जाने का। सिंपल। बीटीसी में ट्रेड मिल जाता तो यार अच्छा होता। पर 83 मिनिमम डॉलर की ट्रेड है बीटीसी। क्या बात। देखो उठ रही है मार्केट वहां से, दूसरी ग्रीन कैंडल देख रही हो? कैन यू ऑब्जर्व दिस सेकंड ग्रीन कैंडल व्हिच इज फॉर्मिंग, गोइंग फॉर हायर टू हायर प्राइस? यार कितनी बार ये हो जाता है? रिजेक्शन देखो बराबर वो ट्रेंड लाइन से कैसे रिजेक्ट करती है वो, एग्जैक्टली फ्रॉम द ट्रेंड लाइन हाउ मार्केट टेक सपोर्ट एंड रिजेक्ट फॉर अपवर्ड. Exactly. Can you observe this? Again, it came to the same trend line. From there, again the buyers tried to make it go up. This is one of our signal not to enter. See, again from the same trend line which I made, वहीं से मार्केट ऊपर गई. Exactly from that one trend line support trend line, market again took a support. चांसेस है मार्केट यहां तक आएगी और फिर गिरेगी. यहाँ पे मैं एंट्री का प्लान करूँ. दिस इज द प्लेस वेयर आई एम प्लानिंग टू टेक माई एंट्री. अभी यहां से अगर मार्केट उठेगी तो यहां से ही वापस गिरेगी, तो दिस इज द प्लेस वेयर आई एम प्लानिंग माई एंट्री. That's the place I'm planning my entry. अभी अगर मैं जल्दबाजी में शॉर्ट सेल की ट्रेड ले लेता, इफ आई वुड हैव टेकन अ शॉर्ट सेल ट्रेड ओवर, देखिए यहां से मार्केट गिर जाएगी, मैं ले लेता, अब मेरे को नुकसान नहीं हो गया क्या होता था. अगर यहां से अभी देखो कितनी सही मार्केट है, देखो कैसी उड़ गई, ठीक है ग्रीन कैंडल. इसलिए हमेशा वेट, ऑलवेज मेक श्योर टू अंडरस्टैंड टू वेट. देखो कैसी उड़ गई मार्केट, जो मैंने ट्रेंड लाइन बनाई सपोर्ट ट्रेंड लाइन, वहीं से मार्केट ऊपर उड़ गई. इसीलिए एंट्री लेने की जल्दबाजी नहीं करनी है कभी भी. नेवर रश फॉर एंट्री. whenever you rush you will face loss. Always have patience. Observe the market, what is happening here, there, everywhere. Observe everywhere what is happening. You can find the resistance line, you can find the support line, and you will know like from that what can happen. Or else most of the people might have entered from here कि यहां से मैं एंट्री लेता हूं. नो, wait, always wait. The next candle can give something opposite reaction because of the trend line support it is taking. मिलेगी मिलेगी एंट्री मिलेगी, अच्छी एंट्री मिलेगी. पेशेंस, पेशेंस रखो, मिलेगी. जरूरी नहीं है कि अभी घुसना है मार्केट में. वेट करो यार, अच्छा अच्छी एंट्री लेंगे, अच्छा प्रॉफिट निकालेंगे. Welcome user 481373. Welcome on the live stream. Welcome user 367468. Welcome on the live stream. We are waiting for our entry. We will enter from this point of the market. It will travel somewhere on the resistance line, which we can see. Can we see exactly from the resistance line? Market is falling all the time again, and also from the support, same support, same support. It is going above. So we'll see that market will go from the itself. Let's wait for some entry points, guys. Let's not rush in the entry. We'll wait for the entry and we'll take the entry. मुझे लेनी है शॉर्ट पोजीशन की एंट्री यहाँ से। कहाँ तक लेनी है? यहाँ तक लेनी है। ये चाहिए मुझे, ये वेट करेगी, वेट। जल्दबाजी करके नुकसान हो जाएगा, नुकसान नहीं चाहिए, सिर्फ पैसा चाहिए और प्रॉफिट चाहिए, अच्छा और तगड़ा चाहिए। जाओ, जो एंट्री में यहां से लेने वाला था, अभी मेरी एंट्री यहां से हो गई है। कितना मेरे को नहीं नहीं बोल के मैं बताता हूँ, ठीक है। यहां से लेके यहां तक कितना हो गया? 1.70% का मार्केट एक्स्ट्रा कैप्चर करूंगा। जहां से मैं ये नीचे मार्केट कैप्चर करने वाला था, अगर मैं देखने जाऊं तो यहां से मैं यहां करने वाला था। कितना है ये? 3.15, 3.15 मार्केट कैप्चर करता था। जो अभी मैं करूंगा यहां से कितना? 4.77। 3.5 कहां और 4.7 कहां? एक्स्ट्रा 1.7 का मार्केट कैप्चर हो सकता है यहां पे। इसलिए ऑलवेज मेक श्योर टू वेट फॉर द एंट्री। ऐसे ही करते हैं एंट्री, जल्दबाजी में एंट्री नहीं करते, हमेशा वेट करते। ऑलवेज मेक श्योर टू वेट फॉर योर एंट्री पॉइंट्स। गिव, market will give you entry, you have to be aware of it, you have to be like patience, have patience. Welcome user 178004. This is the challenge which we are doing. We are doing the challenge of turning $10 into $1,000. We are waiting for our first entry for that thing. I will enter at this point. How much more to wait? 1 minute. User 204863. Any questions? Any doubt? Are you gonna enter with me in the market? Till that point, guys, do a deposit of 10 USDT and start trade with me. Welcome user 984462. I am waiting for the entry. Entry will come soon and they will enter for the market soon. If you haven't done a deposit till now, please make sure to do a deposit so that we can enter for this, capture the market of almost 4.7% of drop. What did that mean? What is this? Satoshi Nakamoto means. Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin holding down 34%. He has a net worth now. Estimate worth of 90.7 billion. The lowest level peak is 170 billion. Top reward of 47 pushes the Bitcoin creature 20th position on the 4 billionaire list. Okay. The October liquidation event has wiped out 19 billion, and hence that will merge. Okay. Can follow. Just want to check some divergence. No divergence, no RSI divergence. What is that signal saying? Pivot high low missed reverse. Mm-hmm. 34, half an hour left, and also for the stream and half an hour left. But my entry point will be still there, even if I am not on the stream. If somebody else come on the stream, I will still take that entry outside the live stream, okay? Because the entry didn't came in the live stream, that is fine, but we will take if the moment comes. Here right now you can see very good pump, the market is again going for the buy, like very huge green candle is forming. So even if I don't take entry at right now, like in this half an hour session, my half an hour session is left. By 4 I will leave. If this session is not completed, if I don't take entry in the live stream, that is fine, but mark my entry point and where you have to enter and where you have to take the trade, so that you will be aware. In the live stream there might be some chances, like in this 4 hours you might not get trade, but after 4 hours you might get trade, so please do take that as well. And I gave you, see right now again, a very good push up, buy push, and from there this is the point where it will almost come and will take a wrong trade, like very sell trade, short trade. Hi, user 22146060. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Thank you so much. Waiting for the entry, waiting for the entry, waiting for the entry. Still half an hour left for us. Maybe it will be soon because the type of candle it is showing. Maybe we will enter soon. Any questions, any doubt, any guys you guys are having, please feel free to ask me about my entry, why I'm taking this entry, why I'm waiting for entry, and blah 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 blah. Whatever you feel you want to ask me, any doubt regarding the market, please feel free to ask. Okay. Today is our first challenge day of getting 10 USDT, turning 10 USDT into 1000 USDT. Okay. It's a first day. And in the first day itself, I'm showing you like the market entry. We can capture it like almost 4.77% of market we can capture from here. User 873649, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Do not forget to tap on the deposit. The more you deposit, the more free USDT I will give. 5 day, three deposit. Like in the week, I come for 5 day live. In that 5 day live, if you deposit 3 times or more than 3 times, I will give you free USDTs. Very close to our entry. Maybe we will take this entry in next 10 minutes or something once the market starts falling. Very close to our entry, guys. Very close to our entry. Twenty minutes. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Entry is from that upside, not from the downside. But people do not forget to deposit. It's important so that you can earn extra money. All the people, welcome user 873649, welcome user 473065, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Do not forget to do a deposit on the live stream function and be a part of this challenge, which is turning 10 USDT into 1000 in the 10-day real trading journey. Okay, do not forget to tap on this trade deposit option of the live stream. Tap on the deposit option and enter when the market gives the entry point. I've already given you that entry thing. Welcome user 800144. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. Still haven't reached to the resistance trend line. Very hard for us to enter at this moment, at this point. It's like the market has stopped. Like after giving that big movement, the market has legitimately stopped. It's not going above from that point at all. At all. Like I can see that candle is just there, not moving, not doing anything, just there. Somewhere in the midway, it has stuck of doing what? Not giving us an entry point, not making us go at paces. But have patience, because patience can give you a good amount of profit. If you don't have patience, then you may not receive a good amount of profit. If I would have done a very rushful, because see, at the end it is gonna fall down. But finding a good entry point is also a thing. If it's gonna fall down, just take an entry at wherever you want. That's not the one which gives you good amount of profit. If I would have entered at that moment of that red candle which I was supposed to enter, I would have lost an opportunity to gain 1.7% of the market, which I don't want to lose. More the profit, bigger my like USDT profit I will be getting. I can have a more better option of changing that 10 into 1000 in much more better way. So people always have patience. It will reach. Even if it doesn't reach in next 15 minutes, next 20 minutes, that's totally fine. Maybe in the next hour, maybe in the next 2 hour, maybe in the next 3 hour. That's not a case because it is 24/7 available market. It is not market which is going to close right now and then you have to go home without earning any money. It's 24/7. Wait, or the 24/7. Same thing. It went back into that zone which I said it will. It was dropping from the zone which will make it reach here, but it again entered in that zone. This is called as consolidation, where market is just going in a sideways market. Thank God we never entered in the market at right now. We would have had such a huge loss, and in the panic state that I am having such a huge amount of loss, how will I recover it and blah blah. Do not make yourself panic. Be chill. Be easy. See, same way, see triangle, resistant, drop down, triangle, resistant, drop down. Now again a pattern is forming. Let the pattern form. Then it will have an entry point. Okay. Okay. I guess it's time to close my live stream. I will close my live stream. And thank you so much, everybody, for joining this live stream. And yes, today I am not entering right now because my live stream is ended. And I like, see, if I go by the timing that I have to take a trade in this 12 to 4 hours, that's not going to happen. Okay, I have 24 hours. I have whole one day. It is a day. It is not 4 hour challenge. It is a 1 day challenge. I might take a trade after this whenever the market comes to my appropriate time, basic appropriate place, basically over here somewhere. I'm expecting market to come at the resistance point. From there it will start falling so that I can enter for a very good short trade. I will do the future prediction that it is going to fall from there. So even if I am not entering right now, it doesn't mean that you don't have to enter. Observe the market so that it can come to somewhere around this point, and from that place, make sure that you go for a short sell, predicting that the market price can fall. Okay, I'll see you guys all tomorrow by same timing, 12 to 4 on the live stream, and we'll continue this challenge of making $10 into $1,000. Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much for coming with live, and thank you so much for being a part. Now the next person will take care of your trading journey and be your guide. Okay, bye bye.